Catherine, I just did. In the second you wrote that.
He missed that, obviously.
Yeah, this is always, yeah.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Hey, folks.
So we're here. Balmy weather.
Always at the same. Yeah, I pity you guys, man. 1 degree in Sweden.
Yeah, no.
Germany says the same. So it's in Germany. It's
I don't.
It was like 24, 25 in Las Palmas at the weekend. We went to last weekend. We were Detlef and myself and Julie, my wife, were in Las Palmas at the carnival, and it was crazy.
Yeah.
There was chicas everywhere wearing practically nothing at night in the street.
Yeah.
And you can't really object to that, can you?
No.
So yeah.
So many people scrolling by. Hey, the Duchess. Hey, PM Chris. Play Greg. Hi, Catherine. I saw the embedded hobbyist. Gordon is there. Hey, you people. Nice to be with you.
Yes.
Yeah. A little disclaimer first. I'm high on pain meds again. My back is bad again.
Yeah.
So just if I say something inappropriate, I usually do anyway. So.
Yeah.
So let me introduce. This week we have Clive Sinclair.
Sorry, Clive Sinclair.
Is this Pickle Rickle? Pickle Prick?
Pickle Rick.
Okay, I just always wondered about that. And I'm just playing.
Yeah.
But we have some more interesting T-shirts coming along, courtesy of Det. Maybe it's Guess the Film or Guess the Game.
Oh yeah. Guess the thing, the pop culture.
Yeah.
I thought I needed some kind of change in my wardrobe, so I went for them. Yeah.
So we have some
There's
specials.
one stack of T-shirts. That is fine now.
Yeah, we have some specials coming along.
Yeah, I'm stoned.
Flux is overrated.
Yeah, we need to print it.
We need to print it.
Yeah.
We do.
Yeah.
So, shall we begin?
Sure.
Sure.
Let's go for it.
Yeah. You had the thing this week with this thing. Yeah.
With this thing.
Yeah.
So, I know a lot of you guys probably saw the review of this, and there were a few questions. So, one of the comments was about the resistance range. So I couldn't zero this and read a low value resistor. So somebody suggested if we use the relative reading mode, where you can take a reading with probes like shorted, say it says 0.4 of an ohm, and then we take a relative reading, we should read the difference. So even if we can't see the meter, the relative reading should say 0.2. So we'll try that if we can figure out how to get into that mode. The other comment, I was using this to look at the VRM on the motherboard, because this just used meter leads, although it's a scope meter, and I could see the VRM was running, but you can kind of see the edges, because obviously sending the high frequency signal up here doesn't work very well.
No,
so one of you guys, probably watching today, asked if I could get a BNC to meter phono, what they call banana.
Yeah, banana plug.
Banana plugs, adapter and connect the scope probe, and I don't have one, but guys, I've made one today. So we'll try that. And the other thing, somebody says that if this survives the live stream, they're going to buy one.
Yeah, it survived high current.
Well, yeah, so you guys don't know this, but when I made the video, I cocked up and I did something really, really stupid. So we're going to show you. I think we can do it from this machine if you can get the thing. So we'll try that.
Yeah.
And the other thing, somebody says that if this survives the live stream, they're going to buy one. Like that. So this is the video.
High current.
Well, yeah. So what you guys doing here?
I have a mains cord here.
I'm trying to measure AC.
220 volts here.
So we can meter lead.
So just connect
And
them here. I'm
I'll show you
expecting to get the bleed.
voltage range. So we'll try that. So I've actually connected. The other thing, somebody says that if this survives the live stream, they're going to buy one. Like that. So this is the video. And then obviously, well, yeah. So what you guys doing here?
I have a mains cord here.
Yeah. But now I find I'm trying to measure the voltage. And then we'll try that. So I've actually connected the thing. Somebody says that if this survives the live stream, it's actually the. So this is the video. It's a 13 amp fuse on the mains input.
Just switched off the second stream. This is because we activated the audio down there. I don't know.
Okay, fair enough. Well, you would hear the audio of me. If you hear the audio, you hear it kind of go crack, and I'm looking around thinking, what the? So anyway, I've already effectively. Oh yeah, sorry. How many people talking? That was off the video.
We got it. Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. So what happened there? We had the audio from that video. So basically, by accident, I stress tested this. So I had leads connected like this, 10 amp. I set it to volts, AC, DC, and then connected it directly to the mains.
Which should run all the current through.
All the
little
current
amp.
through here, so I've shorted out the mains directly into this. What happened is that the fuse blew on my mains lead, so it had a 13 amp fuse.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the mains lead it blew the fuse. So I replaced the fuse and then I was reading voltage on this. So I carried on making the video. The microamps range was working. I tried that. Apparently it's a separate fuse according to the manual. So after I made that video, I thought I better see if what's happened to this. You know,
Yeah,
have I fried up the meter, or have I blown the fuse on the 10 amp range? So I was going to open it up, and I thought, well, at first.
Hold it.
Yeah, at first I thought this was like a
hidden
warranty seal. It is a hidden screw.
Oh, it is.
But it's not a warranty. It's warranty. It says QC passed.
Okay, so it's quality control.
Yeah, so apparently you unscrew this and you take the back off. But I thought, you know what? Let's just try the 10 amp range on my bench power supply. See if it still works. And guess what? It still works.
So the 13 amp on the Variac blew, but not the 10 amp
Yeah,
in this.
yeah. So the 13 amp out of the Variac blew. This didn't blow, and also this still works.
Yeah. So you didn't try anything.
I didn't damage it at all, so I don't think you can accidentally prove how resilient this meter is better than that.
Yeah, no. That surge of power. That
I'm
comes
still
in.
guessing this is a slow fuse, and the Variac had a medium or fast fuse.
Yeah, fast fuse.
Possible.
Yeah,
It's possible, yeah.
yeah, because this was probably heating up, and then it never got to that point.
Yeah. But if it did that and survived, I have no qualms about this at all.
No.
I mean, you know,
Okay.
I'm surprised worse didn't go wrong. But,
Yeah. And as you said in your video, I really like the design here. This is something
Yeah.
that I would use. It has a knob. It had a big knob, and the lightning over here doesn't feel like a gimmick. This is something that is really useful.
Oh yeah, you've seen it.
Yeah,
Look at the colour.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
thing with the 24
Oh,
volt.
I didn't see that. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that's useful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The thing with the 24 volts beep is even useful. There's a lot of thought in here.
It should.
Sorry for injury, but this is cooler.
Yeah. Do you know the other thing I like? It's got an off position at both ends.
Yeah,
Yeah,
perfect.
that's really good. Then you don't have to go all the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Arthur Judge, we all been there. We all been there doing this stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
cool. Does it have Mr. Bleep?
No.
Ah, dang it.
It doesn't have Mr. Bleep.
Yeah.
But
This would be awesome with it, actually,
Yeah.
because of the colors are already incorporated in the
Yeah,
handle.
yeah. They have the RGB colors already there.
Yeah.
That would be
Yeah.
a really easy fix.
what is quite nice, if you probe anything above 24 volts, it goes bleep, bleep, bleep and puts a little symbol in here to tell you that you have a high voltage on your phone.
So you have to be careful. Yeah, okay.
It just tells you some. And I think if you're working like on an amplifier, we have maybe like a 90 volt rail internally. You're not thinking that's going to be dangerous, but it'll give you a right good zap.
Oh yeah, that hurts.
That hurts.
Yeah,
So it's just nice to have that little indication.
Take it from one that has touched a flyback.
Exactly. Oh yes, I've touched the flyback.
What's the price tag on this one? Did you mention this?
Okay, so the price tag was $99, but they gave me a link to Amazon with 25% off with a code in the.
So
it's in the video description.
80.
So 75.
Oh,
And the link they gave me doesn't work. So
That's perfect.
so I'm speaking to them tomorrow. There's a time zone between here and China.
yeah.
So I'll speak to them tomorrow and say, hey, I've made you a review.
Yeah, maybe they were going to put up the link.
They gave me the link on Friday.
Yeah, so they never activated the link probably.
No, the link's there, but it says the product's not available.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, you said something that is brand new. The thing.
This is brand new, yeah. So the release date of this is actually today. I reviewed it yesterday.
Okay.
The official release date is today.
Cool. It looks decent. I like it. Doesn't weigh anything either, because I have one that they artificially weighed down with weights inside.
Could you please unplug the 10 amp range and drop it into the voltage range?
Yep.
Just to satisfy my OCD.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
There you go. Okay, so let's put this.
So let's
inside.
try this. So what I want to do is try what I did on the video.
Yep. I didn't see the video.
measure
so you have to-
measure the VRM, then we connect a scope probe to this and see how much difference it makes.
oh yeah, for the noise.
Oh,
okay.
we got a bit of problem
This
here
is
with red
new.
camera.
Look at this. This is some
Oh.
special effects here.
Oh,
I use this one. Come on, this is
glitching. Okay, so let's go.
So that goes there.
It's a current to shunt bar SMD resistor. Good question, Paul. I don't know. Did you open this up?
No, but we can do if you like.
Oh, right, really? Ooh.
Yeah, it's a free sample.
Yeah.
But I would like not to destroy this.
No, no.
this-
We open
This
it.
looks
and,
usable, yeah.
yeah.
Can we get...
Okay, so
I'll tell you what, let me put the power supply over here.
I try the overhead again.
And we'll get all these leads out of the way.
yeah, we don't need any more than the
That
CPU.
stuff.
Just the
And,
CPU. right?
Don't hit the key that ends the stream, please.
Yeah.
Don't.
This goes in there.
Yeah.
And I connect to mains to that so we can power it up.
Okay, and
Yeah, camera glitches. I don't know. These are two Brios. The front camera you see is a Brio, and the overhead camera is a Brio too. And they don't like to be plugged in the same PC. They hate it.
yeah, no,
and-
they have the same ID. So
Yeah, and
glitch.
OBS hates everything with a vengeance there, and you have no idea what we're fighting here too.
No.
Okay, so testing the VRMs, I'm not very.
Let me show you. So
Yeah.
what we do is we'll
Can you get both sensors?
I have a faint idea that these are the VRMs.
okay. So we
Yeah, I feel you.
we go to volts range
Yeah,
and then we hold in this button, auto,
yeah.
and that gives us the scope.
Okay.
Okay.
Do we have to? Okay, so,
So
what pin is
the
what
VRM anywhere here?
on that side? Okay, so that's in between two.
That's in between
Those two VRMs.
those two VRMs. Okay.
Okay, so yeah.
So we do that. Start it. It didn't start.
Power.
Power's on.
Is the power on
Yes.
the actual
the
brake?
the orange light's on the power supply.
Okay, and if we remove that,
Oh, we broke. It's broke. I don't know.
This is why it's live. The method hobbyist and Paul, I saw your comments. I'll
button.
tell the guys later.
Yeah,
yeah.
button is.
Let them have fun now.
Oh, there we go. So my test board, which I use all the time,
Let's remove the probe. So,
now doesn't want to start.
is this the correct? Yeah, it is.
Yeah. 8-way.
Yeah. No, it shouldn't go in if it's the wrong one.
It goes in.
Yeah.
Hey guys, why is it? This is like the curse of live video.
Yeah, that happens always.
Plug that in there. Plug that in there. Power it up.
Yeah.
Hit the start button.
No.
No. Okay.
You killed it moving it from the bench to here.
Your test rig is gone. Oh no.
Well, I have another one.
Is
Of
the-
course it is.
I can't believe that.
That never happens.
Uh,
That
Yeah, no,
never
never.
happens.
Never.
Never.
I have.
Until it happens.
Every time I record, I get a new error on the
The
stuff.
video is nice.
Yeah, and
I really like this.
the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really like this.
Yeah, I shortened it down
Yeah,
up
yeah.
quite a bit.
Yeah, I like the short editing style, the
Yeah.
new Carlos editing style.
Yeah, and a lot of information compressed. Yeah, I'm trying to do that so I don't waste you guys' time. Oh God, English hard.
Let's try this one.
Let's see. Okay, so
And now the
it has
Brio
a-
is frozen, of course.
it has a 4-pin instead.
Well, we have a 4-pin
Yeah.
there.
Digging it out.
Okay, plug the 4-pin in. Connect. This is your start switch. Power. Does this start? Yes, it's going to start. So, okay, this does this. 1, 2.
And 3, and then
Then it goes.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I have to film this on the handheld. This isn't working on the overhead.
Okay,
The
so
Brio
I'll put,
just gave up.
do you want this on an angle?
We can do.
Oh crap!
Get
That
out.
was hard. Harder than
Get us out of shot here. So
Yeah. So okay.
So this I'll hold on to ground.
Yeah. So the
we-
VRMs are where here, right? No, that's not a VRM.
The VRM
Over there.
At the back on this one. This is really useful to get to. Well, actually, this VRM is for the
Memory.
RAM,
Yeah, the memory VRM.
so we should be able to see something on here.
I'm used to seeing a lot of VRMs.
There's nothing there.
Okay.
that's the dotted lines.
Yeah. Let's.
Nothing there.
Is there an auto function? There's an auto.
Hit the auto button.
Yeah.
Yeah, there.
There we go.
Charming.
So that's what the VRM looks like using the.
Oh, it's spiking quite a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah,
But I
this
don't
one-
think
this
it's
will be the-
spiking. This is because they square waved them because these meter leads effectively are ringing, I think.
Yeah, these are
Yeah.
leads. Yep.
So
I'm with you.
let's connect our little adapter.
We know what it does with the normal leads. Let's
Yeah.
see.
It has bench fear. Nice one. Yeah, this is a Brio has bench fear. Yeah. Yeah, this is because it's mounted over there and it's probably going
Okay, so
dizzy.
Let me get your scope probe.
MacGyver.
Well, I have to show you guys.
That looks awesome.
You maybe want to talk to them and ask them to add something like an adapter for that. Because it's $99 and the adapter in mass production is probably some sense.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, not even some sense.
Yeah.
I'll just get a little extension for
Yeah, or
to reach that.
or we can do
No, you can't. You can't do that very not easily.
no.
I mean, this is so easy.
There you go.
You know, when you think of this, this is. Oh, what do you do? Oh,
Okay.
Yeah,
but
but
if we extend the ground,
it's-
doesn't
no.
that introduce noise?
Not,
Yeah,
not
it
really.
will, it will.
Not significantly.
Oh, we disagree here.
Yeah, it should.
This is one big antenna.
Yeah.
Yeah, but ground is
Okay.
ground.
So
Well, yeah, but it's
Let-
still one big antenna and ground now.
Okay, right now. So
yeah, okay. So let's test with and without.
All right, yeah. You're right. Let's
Okay.
see who's.
so let's see what we get. Yeah.
Do we leave it in the auto it found before?
Press out of.
Press auto.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So it finds the peaks. That's the wrong one.
We had a different one with a square wave.
Let me try it up here one moment.
Yeah, it's hard. Those things are tiny.
That's far. So no, it doesn't work.
Interesting.
Okay, so if we remove the antenna. Okay, wait. Give
The
it.
graph refresh seems
So where are you
slow.
going to
So-
touch the ground?
Yeah, you know, Paul, with a normal scope, I
Okay.
would say the same. But this is
So
more
where are you going to touch the
a...
ground?
Just put the ground close by, like here.
There's a ground.
Yeah.
And then the VRM,
Yeah.
what part of the VRM did you...
Remember, a gate is on one of the end pins, so somewhere in the middle too. Don't blow up my motherboard.
Please, we already have a dead one.
No, I can't. I'm too drugged.
Do we need more lights?
Yeah, I know.
So what you're saying is
Oh, you can put the clamp on.
Oh,
on here,
please check the probes if they're on 10x.
it's on 10x. Let's go to 1x.
Yeah, better. Thanks, Paul.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, this looks different. Press auto, please.
Press auto.
But that looks better.
No, it looks about the same.
No,
That's the same.
is it? It's not.
You're drunk. Drugged.
What?
This has no ground.
What?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, go on.
Okay. No, yeah. No,
Yeah.
the spikes are
Spiky.
smaller. Yeah.
Spiky.
Well, you know, when you were playing with that, you said this is the thing where you go.
It's a go or no go test.
Yeah, this is more a go or no go test. If
Yeah.
you want to have a real scope, you get a real scope.
correct.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
that would be my takeaway too. This is a nice thing to have. If I want to have real data measurement thingies, I'll
Yeah,
go for
even a
different
cheap
equipment.
scope will do a lot better.
We'll
than
do
this.
better. But as a piece of test equipment, you see, weird smell as a multimeter, and I think
You can see if it's active.
you can
or
see
not.
if it's actual or not. I mean,
Yeah.
I did in the video. I looked at the BIOS chip on the other motherboard.
Mm.
So
It's down there somewhere.
on this one, where's the BIOS?
Yeah.
Looks like a BIOS, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So,
It
so the long lead didn't make any difference.
Interesting.
Connects to ground.
I had problems with the small scope you lended me with longer leads.
Okay.
So
Stop
Okay,
it. Stick that lead onto the BIOS chip.
okay, so which pin is?
Pin 1 is the top one nearest me here.
Oh yeah, there's the marking.
Okay?
Yeah.
And then this fell off. We'll put it back on. And we started, and we should see.
It takes 3 people now to do this.
Yeah. Now, I see, you should see access to the BIOS. 1, 2.
Yeah,
This is floating somewhere.
yeah. No, I am not on the pin. I'm guessing.
Yeah.
There. Okay.
Ready to go. After starting.
Yeah.
You on it?
Yeah.
Go. 1.
Paul, we're looking into this.
Do I need to press auto like that? So
I don't think this will be short pulse pauses if it's a chip enable for the BIOS pin.
Well, it worked fine when I tested on the video. If that is the BIOS chip.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that even the BIOS chip?
Could be this
I
one.
don't know what you're looking for.
No, this is a,
No,
these are
that's-
MOSFETs.
No.
That could be something else.
Yeah. No. M BIOS.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah. It says BIOS.
And BIOS, okay.
So
So pin 1.
it's usually pin 1, right?
Yeah.
At least for the video games.
I'm on pin 1.
Yeah. I'll put ground.
Different ground.
There we go.
Okay. I'll shut it down.
Yeah. Dexterity is not at
Full
hand.
stop.
Is it because of the ground?
No, the switch is not very good.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it was floating before because it was doing that.
This is
What?
floating.
Yeah.
now?
Okay, so I think the scope mode effectively works like an AC mode.
Mhm.
There's a button for that.
Yeah,
I can tell you.
I don't think there is. I think it's kind of like.
AC/DC.
Yeah. I'm pressing this and it doesn't do anything.
Mm,
So it's on DC?
it's both.
No, it's DC.
Okay, right, let's try it. So I didn't try this. Ready?
Yep. Go.
I have no idea what it's doing.
It's,
now.
it's okay, it's done. It's
I
going,
hold
it's
it.
going, it's going.
Okay. Yeah.
I have no idea what you're measuring there, guys, but this isn't a BIOS signal.
No.
And then that is the BIOS chip.
Hmm.
Ah,
Strange.
Weird. Well, you don't have a chance to do trigger. Let me see if trigger does anything.
Yeah, it has trigger.
Auto, wait. Oh, there's a wait thing. Can you connect, please?
Yep. Let's go.
BIOS. Okay.
And
Just have to switch it off.
Yeah.
And then
and switch it on.
power it back up again. Hit the button. It's
Yeah.
a bit dodgy, that button.
Do the people see anything here? Sorry. My big hands in there. And now I have a spike, and I have no idea what it's doing.
Come on.
500 millivolts.
It's going, it's going,
Okay.
it's going.
I pulled it off and it started. Cool.
You froze it, you're not scanning there, that. You're like
Yeah, I think I killed it.
and you will have missed it by now. Cause it,
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
just a short.
auto doesn't do anything. Simple wait. Normal wait. Auto. Okay.
Leave auto on.
Yeah, leave it on.
can I just put it back how it should be?
Is it level? What?
Oh, we can do level.
Okay, reset. Oh, so you can do the level. Okay, so you can actually.
Maybe you want to read the thing.
Yeah, no, way too many functions and settings. Sorry,
So,
guys.
well, what you do is, in this case, when they finish pressing buttons like, great.
Look, I'm getting somewhere.
Yeah, actually, he got the pulses.
No.
Well, no, it only reads the BIOS at boot up. It doesn't continually read the BIOS.
Yeah.
It won't read the BIOS. It won't read the BIOS now until I switch it off.
Mhm.
Watch. Switch this off.
Yeah,
Switch
put it back.
Switch it back on.
It
Wait
was-
till it boots up. Hold the button in.
Did you restart your device?
It's now in auto. Are you ready?
We need.
The start. Once the fan twitches, it starts. So the start. Yeah, it's a bit of a dodgy lead. Go again.
I'm going to get a screwdriver. and short it for you.
Okay.
Finger doesn't work, so
That's good to go now. 1, 2.
it started by itself. Fine.
Does it read the BIOS?
No activity at all.
Okay, so this is a spectacular failure on the live
Yeah,
stream.
we maybe missed this. I don't know.
Was
This
it
must
work
be
fine
fast.
on the
Yeah.
Maybe the BIOS, that BIOS has the pin on another leg. Maybe.
Paul, totally with you. This display is somewhat okayish.
Okay, let me just show you. Right, get onto the display.
It looks better
Right now,
in real life.
Now
Yeah,
what?
real life is better, yeah.
Yeah.
That's bright mode.
Oh, can you get rid of bright mode, please?
Yeah. For
Oh, yeah, better. Yeah,
for
yeah.
for the camera, it's
yeah,
worse,
this is pretty much how it looks in real life.
except for the reflections.
Yeah, this is us. Yeah,
Yeah.
the crazy faces. Are
And then if I hit the bright mode, it looks like
It doesn't have as much reflections in real life as it does.
Yeah.
bright mode, normal mode.
Yeah, keeps it normal.
Oh, there's 3 levels of brightness.
Greg,
Yeah.
Greg,
1, 2, 3. Yes, it has 3 levels of brightness.
Greg suggests that could be the backup BIOS chip. Is there a backup BIOS chip?
Yeah, that could be. I only see one though, but there could be another one.
Let me try my other motherboard again.
He's not giving up.
No, I'm not giving up.
No, it should not die like.
No, it should read that.
Yeah, Paul, totally with you. The UI could do a little facelift. Yeah, it would be better, and maybe not a serif font. You see, they're using sometimes a Romany thing there. I would be fine with a
They
sans
chose the
serif.
first one in the list.
Yeah, probably. And CH actually.
That's Arial, isn't it? The first one.
Yeah, it usually is.
Yeah, this could be nicer fonts indeed.
Goes on there. Let's have the 8-pin.
But it would be nice if they provided a source code so you can just change stuff like
That's
that.
a 4-pin.
And,
Who does this?
I do.
Is it?
Why?
Because it's
It's a
fun.
tool.
It's
Come
fun.
on, it should work.
That's the 8-pin.
I hack all my tools if I can.
No,
No.
no.
Yeah, I do.
Well, let me see if this works first now. Nope.
No, it doesn't.
There's something wrong with my test board.
Your test board is gone. by
Is
the
it
way.
the button?
You do wonder, don't you, if there's something wrong with the button.
Pull out the button. Where?
The button's on this red and white wires here, which go to there.
Yeah, but isn't that the USB connector? Ah, okay. You put. Okay. I see what you did.
Bench here. I feel you. This is my new
It
favorite word of the
it's
week.
always works, so...
No.
Yeah, but could be that the button.
Oh,
There's a board.
Yeah.
there you go. Right, now we get somewhere. Let's try this once again.
The button is dodgy.
Okay. Okay, so...
Okay, let's turn it off.
I think for me I should do.
I want to try the overhead again. Maybe I'm lucky this
No,
time.
if the button is dodgy, it will probably not work.
Okay, right, so I'm going to go ground.
Yep.
Oh, we have an overhead picture.
I'm on the main BIOS, yeah?
Yep.
You want to get the scope where you can see it.
Yep. Okay, so let's put it
Okay.
like this.
And start it. Oh, I'll turn the power at the back first.
Yeah, that's
Start it.
Okay.
You want a screwdriver, don't we, to from the button? Shall I get a screwdriver?
Yeah,
Okay.
please. This is driving me nuts. So it's just a button. That's given up.
Grab, absolutely right. Absolutely right. I don't know who designs these things. Who thinks that light blue on dark blue on light blue is a good color scheme?
No.
No, it isn't. Yeah, they
So you know which
yeah.
one's
Yeah,
those two.
They were bold with the
Right.
signage there that looks like Space 1999. By the way, if you haven't watched Space 99, it's on YouTube,
Are you done?
and you should
Yeah.
watch it.
Stop.
This is,
Right, watch.
the science is all over the place. Oh, sorry, I'm talking about a different thing here. Yeah, pop culture data is in the house.
No.
Hit auto. Right, now switched off and switched on again.
Yep. Let's go. Switch off should be the same button.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then switch on again. More reliable than.
Ah,
the
there.
Yeah,
There.
there was something.
It-
there.
yeah.
There.
There. Yeah, okay, yeah. So
All
it
right.
does work.
There, look, again. So it's clearly accessing the BIOS.
Yeah, that was good. That was really good. Yeah.
Yeah, this
Very
might
good
put.
example.
Yeah, and for example, this is the real-time clock. Hit the auto button.
Auto. Yeah. I can bring it closer.
Yeah, look,
to-
it's there. You can see it.
Yeah.
This is the
Hit auto
oscillator.
again.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the oscillator real-time clock.
Yeah.
So it should have.
Yeah, it looks there.
Okay.
And it probably tells you it's 32 kilohertz.
38 kilohertz.
32 kilohertz. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the RTC.
So this is what I was saying, guys. It's not like a real scope, but to have it built in the multimeter, it's a really
Yeah.
handy tool.
It's really handy for diagnosing faults fast. Not seeing exactly what's wrong, but seeing if you have the signal and on the lines and stuff.
Yeah.
So it works and it does
Yeah.
what it needs to.
I mean, somebody mentioned car repair.
Yeah,
I mean, like the low voltage signals that go to the signaling, the fuel injectors.
Yep.
Or to the power, the power packs on the smart plugs.
What speed does it read at max?
12 megahertz.
That's more than enough for a car. Yeah, for
Yeah.
car repair.
For car
I would-
repair, if you want to know if the injector is getting a signal.
Yeah, the injectors can go faster than that depending on the car model.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
stuff. But normally you can get the vague idea of it working or not.
Yeah. And they
if
have
you're
like
getting the
those
pulses.
packs on the smart plugs,
Yeah.
on the petrol ones.
Yeah. Then you have
coil packs or
yeah,
something they call
you
them.
have to be careful with what pin you measure there because there's a high voltage.
Yes, but for measuring the low voltage. You normally can't get onto the high voltage because
No,
it's connected to the spark plug.
They're in the book.
Yeah, the coil packs are there.
BMWs actually have it pinned out in the connector.
Okay.
So just FYI.
So I'll clear some space and we can.
Yeah, the next thing here, and there we go.
Okay, let me get out of the way.
That when I have a real scope in hand, I would really just use your scope for that. To be honest, feel you. I'm with you there. But you have this in your tool back then, and okay, 100 you.
If you're outside,
Yeah, $100 is a price tag where I'd say, what was the Finersi one? They go for 70 something. Right?
Yeah, but they use a separate scope probe.
Mm-hmm.
What I liked
Oh
about,
yeah. That was a isolation thing. Yeah.
The isolation as well. There's no metal work on this. I had this connected to a switchboard power supply directly on the MOSFET that's driving the transformer, because it's as safe as using a multimeter.
Yeah, because you can't short it to yourself.
Yeah, you can't short it to yourself.
No.
I still stand by the fact it's a really handy tool. But I do agree. If I want to know if a VRM is running or not, this will tell me. If I want to actually have a look at the waveform, because I think there's something else wrong with the VRM, I get to go.
Yeah, if you want to get deeper in there, you need a scope.
Yeah,
pretty much.
Same if I'm on an amplifier. If I want to know there's an audio signal, I bet this will tell me.
Yeah, it will show the audio signal and show you that it's there.
Show it's there, but I want to know if there's any distortion in it.
Yeah, same if you want to sniff a signal, for example, for UART or something.
Yeah.
That's not. It will show you that the signal is there, but you won't see what's on the signal, pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah, Spectrums are old. Yeah, I know. I'm old, and the 128 was too young for me. I already left Spectrum there. I started with a ZX. What was the first one? The 1K.
48.
No, not a Spectrum. The one before that.
Oh.
Sinclair Spectrum.
Yeah, I can't remember the name.
No.
I have the 48K.
I had the 1K.
I had the 48K.
I had the 1K.
And then I had the Commodore 64.
But there is a lower one than the 48.
Yeah, the first.
It was 16K.
No, it was 1K.
But you could upgrade it.
It was 1K. For sure you got.
No, you were thinking of the ZX80.
The Z10, yeah. You're right, Dutch.
And the ZX80 and 81.
ZX81, yeah, that's the one, yeah. It does have 1K. And if you filled up the RAM with the program code, your screen would get shorter because it needs to store your program somewhere.
Exactly,
yeah, ZX81. Yeah. Thank you, guys.
That also, the screen would blank out every time you pressed
the
key.
Yeah.
Because it couldn't read the keyboard.
Horrible design.
It didn't have the graphics chip.
Yeah.
ZX81, exactly. So what are we playing with now?
Paul, you were asking about the comparison with the real scope. I think this is a bit over the scope of what we're doing today. Is this okay for you? Let me know if you're fine with the what we did until here.
I like the Warwick design idea for the t-shirt.
No drug expensive guinea pigs were hurt in the making of this live stream yet.
Detlef, beer or full fat Coke?
No, please, full fat Coke.
Yeah, same here.
What? You and going for a Sabro Original?
Yeah.
This is new.
I go for full sugar always.
Yeah, you should.
If I could buy it with extra sugar, I would.
No, it's not that worse. By the way, Dutch, is the hairstyle.
Do you have full sugar or?
That is full sugar, yes.
Yeah, thanks.
I have.
Thanks, Rich. I forgot to bring my own drinks today. Thanks a lot.
I'm on the San Miguel this week.
Yeah.
Oh.
You know,
we need to go.
I don't mix my pills with booze.
Just put you sleeping.
We need to get Dorada here.
Yeah, when the cafe's reopens.
Yeah.
Just get the sponsorship with them.
For a second meter, I may buy it, or if I have to go on location, I only need a basic scope.
Yeah, I completely agree.
Yeah, you know, as we said, this is more a thing where you go, okay, I want to check if is this a go or no go. If I need a real scope, I go for a real scope.
Yeah.
But you're normally fine with the setup where you go, okay.
I usually just use the scope when I actually design electronics.
but I mean, if I'm repairing like a mixer, which I do quite a few mixer repairs and amplifiers, that's great. That'll tell me if there's audio going to the sliders, is it coming out? You know, have I got audio go down to the amplifier? From the mixer
so you can do
section
a quick check.
I can do a quick check just with this one tool around the board.
Yeah, because the oscilloscope is quite cumbersome. Okay, the small one I bought is really nice, but normally they're quite big.
Oh, night shift, Dutch, man.
I have 24-hour shift now from Tuesday and onwards the entire week, so I know.
I missed my mouth with the beer. I must have a drink problem.
Do you need a bib?
I have a drink problem. I missed my mouth.
Police squad again.
Oh my god. I'm the high one.
Bollock asked, how does this compare to the other scopes you had, the little ones, the Fernerzi and the other Fernerzi?
Okay.
They're real scopes.
Yeah. They're real scopes.
So.
This is it. It's the first time I've actually seen a scope meter that's actually a meter with a dial knob on it, and
pretty much a Linux box.
So with the Fernerzi one, if I want to go into scope mode, then I have to get the scope probe out. Yeah, I'd say if you really want a scope, those Fernerzi and such are better. That is a proper scope. But I do still say as a diagnostic tool, I think I'm going to find this really useful.
Yeah.
Time will tell, so I'll use it on the channel a bit. Let's do some repairs just using that meter and scope and see how far I can go without picking anything else up.
And it looks fancy.
And it looks fancy.
Yeah, and
And it works like a multimeter. I agree with you that when you get all these, have to press like one button 7 times and stand with your toe on the other button and all the rest.
Yeah.
Whereas this is a multimeter.
Yeah. With like the GDI handhelds, where you have 7 presses to.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what I like.
That's the only thing I don't like with my new scope. Actually,
You guys are there. What's your verdict on this thing? Because this would be direct feedback. I know we had some comments on the your videos there that you wanted to read here.
I actually mentioned them earlier. That those.
Okay, you did.
Oh, there was a thing about the relative mode.
The relative mode. Okay, we're not done yet. Sorry if you're bored with these. Sorry, we're not done. Yet.
One more thing with the scope, and we're back to normal programming.
I'm not sure.
Working nights for 30 years, man, Gordon.
Yeah, I feel you, Gordon. I did the same in Sweden for 10 years straight. So yeah.
You guys are crazy. This isn't worth. It isn't worth the money.
It pays better, and
it isn't worth the money.
I worked only 50%. I worked 1 week and 1 week off, and still got a full salary.
Okay.
So yeah, it depends on what you do with the time.
Let's see what the people saying about the thing. Dutch says it would not work for me to check if the output of an amp is working within the specs at that scope is spiking on the square wave. So the amp is clipping. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
This is what I meant. This is not a scope. This is more a go or no go situation.
Yeah.
So
is it
Dutch for you?
Is it turning on? Yes.
Probably not your thing.
No. You should have a real scope.
They should make a device that's an interface to a phone for readout and data collection.
Ooh.
I'm always saying this. Please give me Bluetooth in these devices and a little app on my phone.
Yep, that would.
Well, I can do data collection. I can do a storage. I can simply leave it running for, say, 24 hours if I want to check. Is there something else? And he's killing something now. I have to.
Okay.
The camera here.
Yeah, you're working 5 shifts.
Please give him more. Let me hear your verdict, sir.
So this was the thing that somebody was suggesting.
Because this relative mode.
Yeah, this meter doesn't have a 0 function. So my
that is weird for something that advanced.
Yeah.
Have it.
Whereas on my Fluke it does have a 0. That's the
Even-
only multimeter I've got that actually has a 0 function.
No, my cheap one has one.
Okay.
I think my Unity has this too.
Yeah, and mine is super cheap.
Yeah, I mean the ESR meter does, and the cap capacity.
It is a useful function.
Yeah. So what somebody was saying is, with this, if I hold the probes together,
It should go down to 0.
it's reading about 0.3, 0.2, okay?
Okay, yeah.
And this is a 0.2 ohm resistor if I go from one end to the middle. It's actually 2.2 ohms in the same package in series, yeah?
Yeah.
So this is 0.2. So that's reading
Something.
0.7.
0.6.
6, so it's 0.4 up.
So yeah, so if we go across with the meter probe shorty, this is what somebody said.
0.2.
Okay, let it just settle down.
Yeah.
0.2. Then we press, I think it's this one, relative.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
and then,
0.
yeah, so it's 0. And now we measure across here.
And should show 0.2, right?
It's saying 0.4.
Yeah, so it's still keeping some of the resistance.
Yeah, it's not reading low. So that's saying 0.7, which is expected to be double. So that should be about 0.22 actually. But in fairness, my Fluke meter can't read these either.
Okay.
And I'll just prove it.
Then it's not actually the device's fault, really.
Now, if I take my milliohm meter, it will read them. That has a 0 on. So with the Fluke, if I go to
But
resistance.
the Fluke doesn't have a relative mode.
Yes. No, it doesn't have a relative mode, but,
But it has a 0.
0. So with this one, if I connect the leads together,
Which is the same thing. Pretty
yeah,
much.
yeah. So I connect the 2 leads together,
Mhm.
and then hit this. It'll say cal,
Yeah. That's exactly the same.
and it's
as
gone to
mine.
0. Yeah,
Yeah, pretty much.
yeah. This again.
So, yeah, see if we can get a full 0. Yeah, there we go.
0. Now we measure this 0.2 ohm resistor.
Oh,
Oh, my scope. Well, 0.1, 0.2, 0. You see, so
yeah, the
even this is struggling to read it.
Yeah.
The only thing that will read this is the milliohm meter,
yeah,
which we can just.
yeah, just for
Yeah.
completeness sake. Yeah, sure.
So we get the milliohm meter.
Just as how I feel about it is I put a bit more accurate components in it, and the scope is more accurate, then even it would be more expensive than it would be useful. Yeah, I'm struggling with the price tag here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Before I say something in a regular sale, $70, maybe, but for 100, woo.
Yeah. Well, with a special.
What did you pay for your scope, for your 4-channel scope?
Yeah, the 4-channel scope was 200. So, and it's a 4-channel scope,
Yeah.
110 megahertz.
So with the special offer on the code, which when it works,
Then
it's 75.
it's almost there for the
Yeah.
price. I would like to have something like that in my car
Yeah.
permanently, so I can measure stuff.
Well, I'm going to do a few videos with it. Let's try use only that and see what we can
Okay,
fix.
so let's zero it out.
Oh yeah, so let's see where this has. So,
Okay, switch camera. There we go.
so this is the
Milliometer, yeah.
okay.
Oh.
So we short the leads
That was
together,
close.
and that is on 0. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we try the resistor.
Yeah, but this uses Kelvin
This is
probes.
Kelvin probes.
Yeah, so
Yeah. Okay, different
What's this reading?
thing there.
yeah, it's
0.214, you see.
Yeah, sure.
And then there should be 0.44,
yeah.
0.42.
So even this, that's specially made to read low resistance.
But we don't know what tolerance this is to. This is a
Yeah, probably.
K. It's 5%.
Yeah, okay, then it's inside the tolerance range.
Yeah. So this will read. So to read low resistances like this, you've got to use a meter with Kelvin probes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but you can get cheap ones.
There's a project on my channel how to build a very accurate one. It was a PCB way,
No,
and it works
I didn't see
really
that.
well. Unfortunately, the transformer I put in was a 2 gauge with a little battery charger. Has failed. The primary went open circuit, but I've got another transformer to put in it. So I'll tell you what, guys, for the next stream, I'll fix that and we can try that.
Yeah,
How to build
yeah,
There's some
and
really,
it's as accurate as this. I compared the two.
there are some really interesting things in here.
okay, let's see.
Yeah, Paul says get better probes because with these low resistance, you probably need gold to have a good good connection. But the Kelvin probes, we just saw that, were pretty nice. Yeah.
Yeah, the Kelvin probes reduce the noise by using 2 probes on each
Mm-hmm.
side.
No, what it does is it sends a current through the resistor down 2 of the wires. So, and it measures the voltage at the components on the other 2.
Yeah.
So the 2 that are measuring, there's no current flowing through them.
Yeah, so
Therefore, the resistance of the
it's 0.
is 0. It has no effect
Yeah.
because there's no current. The current flows through the other
That
2.
was Dr. Richard.
It's another way to read the resistance, but it uses two wire.
Yeah,
probes.
embedded hobbyist, I always value your inputs there. I think you got to pay for modern microcontrollers. You can knock up a few extra features up to sell the product. Absolutely. This could be tweaked, but it should be tweaked by the manufacturer, not by open source and hacking the thing.
Yeah.
Well, I actually proved this with the $1 short tester.
Yeah.
Effectively, that is using LM317, and it's really a Kelvin probe tester because I strapped that directly to the end of the meter probes.
The only thing it doesn't give you is an accurate.
It doesn't give you a reading. No, with that you can tell which is the lowest.
Yeah.
And normally when you're looking for shorts, all you care is
looking
what
for
is the
the
lowest. You don't care what the resistance
No,
is.
I like that project because it's so simple but so
simple.
useful.
And that's $1.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly there.
Yeah.
4 pin device. Lithium cell. Yeah, Paul T. So on my channel about 2 years ago, I did the amazing $1 short tester, and that's one of my best videos. That got me on Hackaday.
Yeah.
And that, when I released that, I went from a couple of thousand subscribers to over 10,000.
Oh yeah.
The bad word.
But good news for Detlef.
No.
He got mentioned on Hackaday as well.
No.
He doesn't like it.
I don't. I was really panicking. Carlos made me, we're on Hackaday. I thought, I need to shut down YouTube. I need to, for real, that was my first reaction. Because I thought, no,
Yeah.
I don't want to mess with 150,000 views, something.
You didn't get the same influx as Richard did, but
No.
you did get a small spike.
Yeah, there is. So there's my, can we see this on here now?
I try to. I really try.
Micro.
So this is
Yes.
what this is my
using
$1 short test of
short circuits.
240,000
And
views
I
on
tried
it.
to.
It's on the
meters.
PCB
I'm
way
pretty
side.
sure a lot of you saw this
With
video. I will
the-
link it from this one.
And if you look at,
So I.
You can
yeah,
buy one if you want to.
let me turn the
This
audio
is
off on this.
Oh yeah, please turn the audio off.
Yeah, so you can see.
Switch off the audio down there.
Well, I've put it to zero.
No, please switch it off there. I have no idea if we're getting double audio here. Just click on this. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, that works.
Sorry.
So you can see I'm probing here now, and what I'm doing is I've got these wires.
Scroll up, Richard. You're not showing the entire picture.
What?
There we go.
Okay, yeah, I see.
Yeah. So what's actually happening here under my fingers is the LM317,
Yeah.
and then this red and black are connected to my bench power supply, and I've set this to give 50 milliamps.
This is actually the video the first time I talked to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I was looking at this and I thought, why does this guy didn't use a little PCB for that? I could throw it up in 5 minutes.
Because
That's how we met, actually.
Yeah,
that's how we met.
Yeah.
This
I met Richard before that.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I commented in one of your videos.
Yes.
Yeah. What?
You in the
were-
Canary Islands, where are you?
Yeah. What island? Because
Gran Canaria, same as me. Whereabouts? Mas Palmas. I'm just
they're
down the
same.
road.
Yeah.
Yeah, the rest is history.
Five minutes from there.
So.
Yeah, no, Mr. Bleep, Boric. I know, no, Mr. Bleep. Nobody wants to implement. Richard already talked to Finersi
Finersi.
about the.
They are going to implement that.
Yay!
Nice, cool.
So it's going to get implemented somewhere.
Finersi said they were going to.
They can put a LER logo up every time they use that function.
That was what I was saying.
That would be nice.
Promotion.
That would
Okay.
be nice.
Paul is out for blood. Paul says, open the back.
Okay, can we just say
Open the back.
there is my $1 short tester.
This one. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Not
my
you,
$1
not
short
you.
tester.
No operation there.
Yeah, no, my back is already.
Yeah,
broken.
that's it. That's my $1 short
okay.
tester.
So let's see. There we go.
That's it. So basically,
This one. There we go.
yeah, this one. That's it.
And this one.
Yeah.
Make one probe.
Yeah, exactly. So this goes to your clamps onto the probe, and this is your power coming in.
Yep.
And then the black wire just goes directly to probe.
And it can be like this.
Yeah, well, this is a constant current,
yeah,
so
yeah.
it doesn't matter.
And if you just go back to this screen of mine, Dad, on here,
There.
so you can clearly see that I'm using like the inserts out of chocolate block
Yeah.
to attach it. And then the black wire just goes down, so you can get it to a battery, bench
Yeah,
power
but
supply.
we did a design for that. That's what we all came together
Yeah.
for the first time.
And the resolution of this, I think, was down to 10 micro ohms. Effectively.
Yeah, you can actually find it in a bank of resistors. You can actually find a resistor that.
Yeah, a bank of capacitors. All
You-
SMDs right next to each other. You can tell which one is short.
Yeah, because it has the lowest resistance.
Yeah, it was 10 micro ohms was its resolution, which is phenomenal.
Yeah. Now, you still need a decent enough multimeter to measure it.
Okay, come on. We're nearly an hour in. If we want to
Yeah. We want to do some other stuff. Okay, right. Let's go.
No, it's Paul. It's not me.
Because we've got a lot of cheap Chinese crap to look at.
Yeah,
as
I
well.
really like this this little device.
Quality sticker, bye bye.
Okay, yeah. You want to screwdriver?
Yeah. There we go. Voiding warranties.
warranties are overrated.
It's exactly like mine. It has the condom socks.
Okay.
Condom suck.
Not going into details.
Flavoured ones.
Whatever you do.
Not sock. Socks.
Oh, socks. Okay, let's see what's inside it.
Okay, so it has 4 screws.
Can we get a camera on it?
But you need a better screw.
Do the best screwdriver, okay.
This one does this.
Why did we give us a junkie of the room? Well, because you always do this. I know.
I'm the guinea pig.
Use the destroyer of worlds
Yeah.
and devices.
No, this doesn't work either. It has to be flatter on the end. Bring the nice.
Yeah.
Paul, this is all for you. You know that, right? If the thing gets broken, well, it gets broken.
We won't blame you anyway.
We won't blame you.
I will.
Not a lot.
I got the nice kit.
Just a bit.
I fix it. I want the
Oh,
sponsorship.
you got the iFixit kit.
I want the sponsorship. I fix it.
I never get the iFixit kit.
And then we got some cheap Chinese crap.
Yeah.
We do. Oh,
That's a tri-wing. That's not what I want. There we go.
that's a downside with the iFixit kit. There's so much selection.
Yeah. Where the
What are you looking for there, mate?
the normal star. Oh yeah, there.
And some more here.
Yeah. I want them with a flat end. Oh, these are fat. Where are this? Okay. Yeah, I'm high as a kite. Here we go.
I want some of these drugs.
They're really strong. Okay, so let's go.
Oh, the broken Carlos stuff. We need it. Maybe we need another box. Things killed by Carlos or something.
I've only killed one thing. Oh.
You sure?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, just one. I've been close to killing several.
Okay.
Oh yeah, no, two things. If we count Richard's
The other.
the board.
No, what about the micro ohm meter that I lent you?
Yeah, I didn't even get to use it once. It died on me at first use.
By itself.
No, nothing. It didn't get me a display. First time I turned it on. So I don't know what happened. On the way home, probably hit it or something.
You can, Greg. You can tell this to Carlos. Don't move don't operate any heavy equipment. He won't listen. He's way too high.
Yeah, I know. I'm not driving at least.
This ship has sailed.
The wife is driving me to it. So. Okay, there we go.
Where's Susie?
She's at my parents' house.
All right.
Okay, so the back comes off.
Okay.
There's a little plug
So
connected to the back to the
some,
front. Can you see it?
Okay. So
Some DMM porn.
So this is the battery.
Oh.
okay. So it has a 186.
No, I
Oh,
think,
this is an 86. Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay. I like this.
I really
I think there's
like
a clip on that. Don't rip it off the board. Can you see
Please.
it now there?
No. It was off.
Fine. Okay, good.
There we go. Okay.
So that's what's in it.
Looks decent. Has
Wow.
one ribbon connector. We have to be careful with.
Let me get in close there.
Yeah.
Let's do the money shot here.
3.7.
There's the programming interface.
It has.
SK, SD. You guys, is this a STM? I think this is STM.
Yeah, it looks like it.
SKSD.
RG and B.
Is that clock and data?
Oh, RG and B. Oh, now I'm getting interested.
Yeah. Why?
Y3.
Okay, so this is the red one. It's only populated.
Yeah, but
The green and blue are not populated. And this is
interesting.
a resistor network, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a resistor network.
Yeah.
You're not 30 ohm.
And it should be the same value for all three, so it wouldn't be hard to populate it.
Maybe they went for different.
Yeah, because
in
it
the
has
design.
has RGB already.
Mm-hmm.
We should take this out.
Let's
Okay,
have a look at the.
Where are the fuses?
On the other side.
There's a shunt.
No, there it is.
Yeah. This is what I'm showing.
Yeah. No. I was wrong. It's not a glass fuse on this.
The fuse is a PTC, says Paul. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, you're right. So this is why this came back.
Okay, so it's not
And what is this? 8?
5.
5.
Let's.
There are two fuses. There's one for the 10 amp range and one for the
I-
So
milliamp
the
range.
10 amp range is this one. No, wait.
No, the 10 amp range is at the end.
This one. Over there. So this one is the
Oh.
fuse for that. Okay, let's see if I can.
get
Yeah, I'm trying to.
You can use a microscope if you want.
Oh, there's a microscope.
Yeah, we're right.
Yeah,
Making things harder for ourselves is our
The microscope doesn't work.
speciality. Okay, there we go.
Let's hope the microscope is coming back.
Yeah.
Please, microscope, come back.
I will unhook it and hook it back again if you want to.
I'm trying to do this here.
Okay.
Microscope doesn't want to play with us.
Oh crap.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, wrong ring.
that's it. If you don't, there you go.
Yeah.
Will the microscope come on?
Let me see if I have any luck here.
Just pull out the HDMI, put it in again.
Yeah, try it. Can't hear it.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, for a second the monitor went dark here. Now
Yeah, it's because it counts as extra input.
really panicking here. All right, we do this the other way. Come back to the
Okay,
cam.
so let's see if we can get some light in there. Okay, wrong way. There. Okay. Focus there. 10 amp. Yeah, there it is.
Fuse 1E.
Yeah.
Whatever code E is on the
E,
fuse.
I think is a PTC is a
There's a 10 amp.
a self-resetting one.
Oh, there's two fuses.
Yeah,
the 10 amp.
The 10 amp is directly on that rail.
Yeah.
The embedded hobbyist, you said something about 2 fuses isn't feasible in the UK. Can you elaborate on that, please? And why is there an LED on the inside?
That's a good question because you can't see that LED from the outside.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, no, it's for this. But it's on the backside.
Oh, okay. Then
Wait. It's on the backside.
There must be
There's a
some
hole in the board.
Yeah.
We should check that.
No, Carlos didn't break the microscope. We have too many video sources on this thing here.
Yeah, so they conflict with the IDs, the USBs. You can actually change the ID on the USBs if you want.
I think we need to add another PCI card to that computer with some more
USBs.
USB.
Yeah, I ordered one. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, that's not the correct one. God damn it! I have the iFix.
It shines
Yeah,
through the
Paul,
board.
it shines.
What I
Paul
said.
T, I agree. It shines
Oh,
through the
Peter, you're
board.
here. Yeah, UBS is sometimes a bit
Tri-wing normal. No.
fiddly, to say it last. Yeah, SMD mounted upside down. Yeah.
But I think the element is on this side. The LED. Okay, yeah, no, maybe you're right.
No giveaway then. You don't want to have all the old crap, man. Please believe me.
I am high as a kite, so I could be wrong.
This is perfect for doing this work.
I assume you can put us back together.
Probably.
He probably cuts a zebra now.
If it's upside down, it's not my fault. Yeah, no. As long as I can't kill myself, it should be fine.
Well,
yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I shut up now.
Oh. Hole in the pain in the ass. Why? Why did you need to put one there?
Well, so you have a flat surface, so you can do the light trim things.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get this
Is this
out.
colors? No, it isn't.
There we go.
No, not you.
Oh, that looks really nice. But it has.
Well,
yeah,
looks like
you were right about the holes.
Yeah, they're shiny through.
Yeah.
So they made a hole in the PCB, put them upside down.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, and they just soldered them on.
Yeah.
How do you tell your
Manufacturer
to put them upside down?
Tell it to Daisy. Yeah, she will know.
But yeah, I don't see that. I never saw the option. But yeah, you could put it in a specification, I guess.
Lightwinner said, it's better if you don't touch it directly on the PCB. Well, too late.
Yeah. It doesn't matter. I haven't killed anything yet. Okay, so
So he says,
Yeah.
and there is two LEDs up here as well.
Arthur thing, can you that display to a monitor through the USB-C? No, as far as I know, it's only for charging because I connected it on my PC to charge it and it didn't recognise it as a device.
It has data lines.
But it did charge it.
No, it has the data lines.
Interesting.
Connected. Actually,
It did charge.
it has the data
Are you
lines.
sure that's
connected.
not for a PD power supply?
Maybe. Give me a sec. I'm just going to bend these so they go in. There we go.
Right.
Okay, so it has data lines. Let's see if we can show that on video. Okay, so the power on USB-C is on the sides. You see the fat traces. These two are data lines, the ones in the middle.
It could be to program the
PD
adapter,
power
the
supply?
PD for PD.
Yeah, and they go to resistors, so they are actually being used. Otherwise, they just terminate them.
Well, there's no mention in the user manual of it being able to display on your PC. And when I connected it to my PC to charge it, it just charged it,
look
didn't
at this.
recognise it.
STM, an ARM.
Yeah, it's exactly what you thought it was.
Yeah, you need this because the display is a 300 something pixel type. So
Yeah.
this is needed for having enough
But
power to do the whole
considering it's a 2-line system that comes in, it's a serial probably. You should just be able to run this with a CH341 driver
Probably.
on the computer.
Okay, right, Dutch Linux. The lead I used to charge it with is the one that came with it.
It doesn't have the pins inside.
Okay, there you go. So yes, it's just the one that came with it.
Yeah. Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
But the idea is interesting because USB-C can emulate some monitor ports.
Yes.
Yeah. I think I would prefer have an app on my phone that I can couple with Bluetooth, because then I have a galvanic isolation there.
Yep.
Can I? Yeah. So
Connecting this phone while it's measuring 220, connecting the thing with 220, and then going into my computer.
Yeah, this is what I was exactly. I was
dangerous.
exactly going to say. This thing is supposed to be isolated to measure high voltage on it. I wouldn't want to connect it via the USB to a grounded piece of equipment like a computer. It kind of like defeats the.
Yeah.
Sounds like a recipe for disaster.
Correct.
Yeah. But I love the idea because technically this is doable. Yeah.
Yeah. It's
Give him gloves.
Sorry, mate. No.
So you're worried about the ESD, right?
Well,
Yeah,
that was
not
one,
about you.
to me. That's one of the major points of this: the fact that there's no exposed metalwork anywhere, so it's as safe as using a multimeter.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay, so we are done.
Uh,
I'll put.
just as you say, you're done.
No, everything's out of
How come I can't see the charging port?
Oh, it's upside down. Yeah, I
See-
told you, upside down. Yeah, there we go.
Dutch, there actually are isolation transformers. These are chips you can use. They go for 400 kV or something. They are available for USB.
Yeah, I've actually seen similar things for driving MOSFETs and switch mode power supplies. So it's like an opto isolator, but it's an opto driver.
Yeah.
And effectively, what it does is it internally is like a radio frequency pulses. I'd have to find a data sheet for these things, but yes.
Paul, we stopped worrying about the drugs.
Yeah.
He gets used to this.
Don't worry, my drugs end tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you going to do then?
Probably sit wallowing in pain and working. Pretty much.
What's interesting with this
Excuse my French there.
is the fuses or SMD ones soldered to the board, and yet in the manual it tells you to take the back off to change the fuses.
Yeah.
So they don't consider them to be not replaceable.
Yeah, they are replaceable.
Yeah, they are for some people.
For some people.
If you have a hot air station, it's replaceable.
Dutch, I think these devices exist. You have separated USB drivers for this.
I would agree with that because I know of other things that exist.
For the stuff we normally do, probably not. Paul, and by the way, these aren't motorized drivers. These are simply screwdrivers. These are fixed things are simply...
They have a palm rest that spins.
That spins, yeah.
So you can see here.
Yeah, so it doesn't like wear a hole in your hand.
Yeah.
A few USB isolators are via transformers etched into the chips. Well, yeah, I can relate to that. Yeah.
It's together.
And these things just clip on the side?
Yes, they do. They're condoms for the multimeter.
And now the interesting moment. Does it start?
No guarantees.
Please, please, please.
Is the battery connected?
Yes, it is. I'm high, not that high.
Ah, damn it. He means he needs more drugs.
Yeah, pretty much.
It starts.
Yeah.
Whoo.
There we go.
Okay.
It's alive. Okay,
What?
I don't see a missing.
It's there.
Oh no.
Okay. So, shall we get the cheap Chinese crap out now? Or?
Yeah.
What else do we have?
We have the BLDCs if you want to
We have
show
BLDCs. We have strange devices.
Yeah?
Come on, let's do a short one. Let's do a short strange devices thing.
Strange devices.
Yeah, I brought strange devices.
Cool. I like strange devices.
If the microscope works. The freaking microscope.
Okay, I'll restart. Just give me a moment with the microscope, okay?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we almost lost.
One moment.
These.
Right, try the microscope.
I'm trying the microscope.
It was just rebooting now.
The microscope was rebooting?
Well,
I hope not.
No, I've rebooted the HDMI to USB.
Ah, okay. You restarted the. Do you have another plug you can put it into? Even a 2.0 plug. It
No,
doesn't need to
I
be.
can try something else. Hold on.
Doesn't need
Oh
to
my
be
God.
full HD.
Right. I've disconnected the screen capture from PC number 2.
Yeah.
Oh no, now this is gone.
I know what he's going
And
to do.
I've now pulled just the microscope into this adapter and not screen capture from PC number 2.
Oh, got a picture, don't
Right.
touch anything, don't touch
So we
anything.
can't capture from this anymore, but we probably don't need to now.
Oh, I hope.
Okay, right. We have a microscope.
Okay.
Let's
so
go.
What are we going for first?
That's depth left. This is depth left section.
Oh, come on.
This one.
Hit the strange devices, please.
Okay. So these are minuscule, by the way. This is my pinky.
Go in really close, yeah?
Yeah,
That's on the other,
I am going.
Can I suggest a better on a black background? But it's entirely up to you.
This is what something, because I needed something where the things stick on.
Okay.
Yeah, so they don't fly away. Okay, so let's see if I'm too close or this is fine.
So now we let the people suggest what this could be.
Those.
I could guess immediately, pretty much.
I know what they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course you do.
Yeah, no, but this one.
This is a dead giveaway, yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
give them a second because on the stream it's just coming visible.
Yeah.
Yes.
At the moment, yeah.
The people need some time to guess what we have there.
Right. Okay. Here it comes. So-
Sorry for the shaky cam. These are minuscule.
Okay. What are these?
Yeah, so the chip length is 1.5 mil by 1.5 mil.
So small. Almost as small as the buttons I used for my keyboard.
I think this is smaller.
Yeah, it is. They are. I actually got my new buttons for the ZX Spectrum
Ah,
product.
damn it. Poor man!
First try.
First try, very good. Yeah, these are RGB LEDs.
Yeah.
You
Yes.
maybe realize...
You can see the LED elements inside.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Embedded hobbyist. My Fluke meter, Fluke 75, was
Can you
I
hold this?
bought it in 1993 when it was new. So 03, 30, that's 30 years.
30. Oh,
Yeah.
it's older than me.
This is probably one of the... Oh, look, there's a tiny chip in there. It's nearly the same, yeah. This is a, what's this called? WS2812. So this is probably the chip you know if you've ever been into addressable LEDs.
Mm. It's like the pixel and all that.
Yeah, this is a digital pixel, yeah. This can do RGB and 256 steps. And it has one data line. It's a daisy chain. So let me show the people this on the handheld camera.
Yeah. So they are
That's
quite,
the thing over here, please.
yeah. So they are put like this, and you only need 3 address lines, right?
One.
Oh, 1 address line
It's
and
serial
power and
data.
ground.
This
Yeah.
only gets connected by one address
Yeah,
line.
and you can control them in series or in
Haven't we got an example of one working?
Well, we have some examples here.
yeah
Okay.
oh yeah the
Well, that won't come up. Struggling here.
there we go.
Okay.
Sorry for the camera. I have no idea what.
So he's using the micro ones. Okay, so let's see.
These are not the smallest ones. These are 20 by 20 millimeters.
Okay, so these are
2 by 2 millimeters. Sorry.
they're larger than the one.
The fixer is here. Hey man.
Holy crap, that's bright.
This is like a VU meter type thing.
No, this is a flame simulator. No, it
It's
doesn't.
a flame simulator.
Yeah, I don't see a microphone. So,
This is hard to film.
so exposure.
What? Let me try the overhead. Maybe this
Yeah.
is better.
Oh,
It'll probably work now. I've
Yeah,
disconnected the other
since the
video
overhead is
source.
out of focus now, so this works better. Yeah. Yeah, this is the way it should. This is what's the way.
While that's just doing this, so I have a very competitive next door neighbour who every year tries to outdo me with Christmas lights on the house, and this year he's not going to win.
No, because
Is
we went for
are you
the
going to
second
cover
one.
the wall in these?
No, because the other one we're going to show you, Detlef is making some 2 meter high ones of these.
2 meter.
2 meters high.
With how many LEDs?
We haven't decided
We
yet.
haven't decided yet.
Holy
And,
Loads of them.
They get loads
Yeah.
of them, and we're going to put several of them on the
Okay,
house.
so these ones are using the same ones.
These are the 1.5. Let me see.
These are the ones we looked at under the microscope.
Yeah, let me see if I can get in there.
So these ones are a lot.
This is
Okay.
Really, really tiny.
So these are what were under the microscope?
Yeah. Yeah. So these ones were the
Oh
ones
yeah, you can propose on.
we were running before. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do that. We have a microscope. Why not use it? Okay. Let's bring it up a bit. We need to.
While Carlos is adjusting this, I have a review sample coming in from another company, Tomlov. So this was Tomlov, yeah. So this was sent out
Sex toys?
last year. And it's been, no,
this is the banana thing.
no, not sex toys. It was
We
sent,
don't want to know. We la 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 la.
It was sent out last year, and UPS lost it. They lost the package, but they've now found it, and this is a USB microscope, which has or HDMI microscope. It's 4K Ultra HD, 60 frames per second, and it comes on the cantilever like an angle please type mount.
Nice.
And I think it'll be here next week. They found it again. It's been missing for weeks somewhere in the system.
I got them, my friend.
So hopefully by the next one we can have a play with this new microscope.
Yeah. So there you see the comparison. The right one is the 2 millimeter by 2 millimeter, and the left one is the 1.5.
Yeah,
millimeter
that
by
was
1.5.
the right one is the fire one we just saw.
Yeah. And if you started the other one, it has a different animation.
Do you want to start the other one?
Let's blind everyone.
Yeah.
Hey, it actually shows up pretty well on the microscope.
Oh, let me see. Let me get the microscope on. Ooh, whoosh.
That's not bad. You can
actually.
actually see them switching between the LEDs.
Yeah.
Oh, Chris, I'm back home. You
not
can start
bad.
now. All right, man.
Okay.
We do everything again, please.
So if we get this on the camera.
Yeah.
So we're actually going to put some 2 meter high ones of these on my house for Christmas decorations this coming Christmas.
But okay, so these are in parallel, right? So you don't need higher and higher voltage the more LEDs you have.
Yeah. The voltage rails are simply big rails on the side.
So you need let's say
20.
20 what?
Plenty. A lot.
Yeah, but you need a lot of amperage.
On the 2 meter high ones, yeah.
Yeah.
Not necessarily, because these are not on all the time.
Yeah, but
and actually,
they're pulsing, right?
yeah, but
actually, please measure the content.
Yeah,
the
that's
currents
a good idea.
amperage is overrated.
Yeah.
Oh, you got your t-shirt slogan.
Amperage is overrated.
I get the flux is overrated.
Okay, oh yeah, that's measured. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so what's it drawing?
Okay, so let's see. It's drawing what? Really? Point.
150 milliamps.
Yeah.
Yeah, say 170.
Yeah, 170 to be on the high side.
So the 2 meter high ones, if it's an amp,
It won't be much more, because
No.
the LEDs and the technology isn't changing, and
No.
since they're not on all the time, this isn't so much. You probably get away with 1 amp for the installation.
and that's a 5 volt supply.
And that's a 5 volt, yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah, but I want more than one.
Yeah.
Of course you do.
Yeah, but you could use a PD transformer and
Yeah,
put
exactly.
in 80 watts or
For what? You don't need that.
No,
The LED
then
can
you can
only-
have 10 of those 2 meter ones.
You can daisy chain them.
Oh, yeah,
or
right.
If you want to get stingy, you simply use a data line for
Yeah.
separate channels.
Were you saying that you can actually buy LED strip with these on?
They look like these.
They look like these.
Okay, so
In longer.
And longer length, so
they come pre-done.
in LED strips.
Yeah, I think we get some 5 meters and try them out next time.
Yeah, we get some 5 meters. They look really impressive on the end.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And you can have them in different in different separate steps. So
Yeah.
these you see in over here is 144 LEDs per meter. You can get these up to 30 LEDs per meter. So this is much more space in between. But for an animation on a house, this works
Yeah,
fine. We probably go for 60 LEDs per meter or something.
Yeah.
These are quite bright.
And these look impressive.
For what they are drawing in power, these are really bright.
Yeah, they are. And the fire simulator, if you put it against the wall, this looks really nice.
You need about 100 of them, so you can have enough of them in your front yard, Rich. Yeah, you can.
No way. 100 is way too late.
You're going to blind everyone
Oh,
that walks
that's
by.
100 is nowhere near enough.
Oh, we have to
Oh,
try
Paul
this.
T.
Yeah.
Do you have Paul T. Yes, we have 2. Well, we have 1.5 cats.
Yeah, you need to take this home and try some mojito.
Yeah. Oh, so our cat Monchito, Detlef, loaned us one of those Roombas or something.
The Roomba.
Yeah, and our cat came in and he chewed on it one night and the thing set off. and he was traumatized for 3 or 4 days. He looked at everything like it was in a movie. He couldn't handle it. I had to show it to him and show him that I was taking it out of the house and saying, Monchita, you'll never see this again.
Traumatized the cat.
Yeah, but we now have half of the cat.
Usually Roombas are enjoyed by cats. So
No,
they sleep
he
on
was
them.
terrified.
No.
This is the totally panic.
He was panicky terror. So we now have another half a cat.
How do you have half a
That's
cat?
Tony.
Well, you only half lives at
Welcome,
our
my
house,
friend.
but you know Dandy.
Mm.
So Dandy belonged to a woman who lived at the top of the street who died last year, and her children basically selling the house, sold the house, cleared out, took the dog and just abandoned the cat.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So,
normal stuff here.
But now he's coming more and more in, so every day now he's coming into our house,
So
he sleeps.
It's upgrading to 2 cats.
So we upgraded into 2 cats, and Dandy's lovely.
Yeah. No, he's a
Dandy's
nice
beautiful,
cat.
lovely
Yeah.
cat. So
Nice cat.
yeah, 2.5
But
cats.
Tony, Tech Moan will cruise to the hi-fi, yeah.
Yeah,
You will,
exactly. I agree.
Did you get the
Night Rider.
amplifier thing for your son?
Wouldn't this make a good ambilight?
It'd be good on the front of a car as a
It's,
night
it's,
rider.
it's software, so you can put anything in.
Yeah.
If it's too fast, you make it a bit slower. If it's too bright, you simply...
How fast can you send data through this?
Oh, I don't have my note. Well, I have my notebook here, but I think I don't have the...
Yeah, you can check that later.
Wait,
But-
talk amongst yourself.
To make the ambilight, you need a somewhat fast response time, so it matches
It's
the.
pretty fast.
Oh, this goes with 800 kilohertz.
Yeah,
Fastest 800 kilohertz pulse.
Yeah, Paul T.
800 kilohertz. Yeah, that should be enough. 60 hertz video, but so it gets to the other side.
Oh, you mean like a video driver?
Yeah,
I
exactly.
think Bitluni experimented with these.
Yeah, but these are really bright compared to the ones I've seen.
Okay.
I've seen drivers use these, the big ones.
Yeah. This
But
were really
I
the goals.
I never seen one use the small ones.
Yeah, this is what I was going for with these.
Yeah, Paul T. Yeah, if you're talking about Dandy, it's a shame, but we've taken him in. He comes in now. He'll come and sit on the sofa with us for a little while until the other cat chases him back out
My
again.
face has fallen asleep.
Mike, I saw WLED. I do my own things there and try to figure out some nice movements in there.
Yeah.
But you're right. You can do this with a ESP32, and there's no programming needed anymore. Yeah.
Yeah, you can. You actually can do it really easy with ESP32.
Yeah. CPU doesn't matter. This can be actually powered by an 80Tiny 85. It's fast enough for this.
Now that I have you here,
Why?
MicroPython.
Oh, go away.
Yeah, Paul.
It's shit, right?
First, no Python guy. I've always been
no.
more the C type.
Monty Python.
The Monty Python. It's the only Python I accept.
That I enjoy as well. No, but
Did you expect the Spanish Inquisition?
no.
Nobody expects
Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition.
We're so
Oh my
old.
God,
We're
yeah.
so old.
Yeah, but it's funny. It's
you.
so funny.
So, Chip Chinese crap time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Gordon, what do you wanted to show?
skip MicroPython then.
Okay.
Good. No.
It's slow. It's slow. It's integrated.
Yeah.
It's 20 times slower than C
Exactly what I was going for. Then I'll skip it completely.
Yeah.
It's for running AI on ESPs, so I need all the speed I can get out from it.
Okay.
You will see.
Are we ready? So, Detlef,
Oh, crap.
Carlos,
Uh-huh.
Detlef bought this for €3.99 on AliExpress.
Are you kidding?
No, he's not kidding. He paid $3.99.
This is what?
It was on
Oh
sale.
my god! No. This can't work.
That's what I said.
Not for €4. Really.
That's what I said. It was on one of these things.
Yeah, and not only is it €4, but this is battery powered. You charge it off USB-C, and then it'll work for 30 minutes on its own. It's got a battery in it.
So it's even.
Oh,
Crazy.
the 80Tiny. I don't have this right now with me, but for fun's sakes, we'll probably be doing Richard's house animation with an 80Tiny 85 then. And this will be a video where we'll be on location. Richard's trying to do Stuntman Richard things, where he climbs on the wall somewhere, and me being panicky.
Yeah, and hoping he doesn't fall.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
And if he falls, I catch it on camera.
Okay, so we have what we need.
Yeah. Just, hey, Might as well.
Well, you know, better losing a good friend than a funny joke.
And
Nobody had heard.
no, and they're deaf now.
Yeah, they are. Sorry if you're watching on headphones.
Okay, so I'm not using this.
I won't use this. No.
Have you shown them the tip? How it fits onto the...
Yeah, so it is not.
You don't need it. It's charged. You don't need a USB plug.
Oh crap!
Yeah, we've charged it.
So I could have burned myself easily.
Yeah.
That's actually quite handy.
Yeah, for this price tag, I don't care. I carry this around with me all the
It
time.
also came with some solder.
Well, you call this soda, I call this crap.
Metal.
Yes, some salt.
Some silver
I
metal.
call this landfill.
Okay, so it has an interface metal inside that's shiny silver, and then a copper one on this side. So all the heat goes through the center. Is that?
No, I think
Oh, wait a minute.
ceramic?
This is a soldering iron.
it's a soldering iron for $3.99 off AliExpress.
Exactly, with 3 heat levels.
For $3.99 from AliExpress.
Yeah, wait, let me read the thing. Sleep function, temperature rises in 5 seconds, whatever this means. Multiple power supply modes.
Does that mean it's PD?
Oh, yeah.
We
true.
have to test that. Yeah.
It doesn't mention anywhere that it solders, but
Yeah,
Did you write that? Yeah.
I wrote this, yeah.
Okay. So the only thing I don't like when it's not like this one. Mine has as well at home. When it's hot, it's really hard to take off and on.
Yeah, sure.
So,
But
but
since you only have one,
one tip. I don't know where you would buy other tips for this.
so we're going to try and
they're probably more expensive than the whole thing.
Okay, so I push the button.
Mhm.
I don't
hold
see
this
it.
in.
Okay. Okay, so it's blinking.
Try now to press it once. Blue is a
Cool.
380.
380.
You're going up to 380 degrees
Degrees.
there. Nice.
And then what's the next one?
Red is
460. Well,
Red is
460.
460.
Red is
Oh,
460 degrees.
That's what it stands for.
Yeah.
Does it actually go to those temperatures?
We never checked.
We never checked on it.
I have my thermal mobile.
Well, yeah.
I'll hold this because you
Oh,
don't,
yeah.
Don't you have a some?
It's
yeah, but
only-
it's easy to use, Carlos.
No, but it only goes to
Yeah,
120.
Yeah.
I can get a thermal camera if you want to have a play with that. So do you want to put it onto blue at least for 380? 300 isn't enough.
No, it shouldn't be.
Yeah, green won't work. At least one of that.
Yeah, especially these boards are really thick, actually.
Yeah, can it solder on these boards? That's why I gave you something a bit tricky.
Yeah. If I burn myself, I'm blaming you.
Is it melted?
You always do.
It melts solder.
Yeah, it's all already melting.
That was the reason to have a soldering
Okay,
iron.
I do.
It has a little stand.
Yeah, I'm using the stand.
I'll get the thermal camera.
Yeah, putting some flux on.
Of course you do.
Splooge flux. I'm going to brand my own flux. Okay, that's it.
What's your brand of flux called? Overrated.
No, splooge flux.
Oh yeah.
My flux, homemade liquid flux. It looks like
Yeah.
yeah, splooge.
I see where you're getting from.
It's white, semi-transparent, with clumps inside. It's
White semi-transparent with clumps in it.
Yes.
I'm wondering what you think that looks like.
yeah, I know. I don't know that.
Oh, look.
Yeah, it's doing the job. Okay, so let's.
Sorry for the horrible camera work.
Can you unsolve it?
Yeah, yeah.
It moved.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It actually did it
What?
so easily,
What?
and that's a big cap.
No, you want to have one on your own, right?
So this is at
380.
Let's go down to the green one. I'm pretty sure it can do it on the green. Go down.
I think I stick to my 24-year-old Antex 24-volt. Mike, I probably would too. But you know, for €4,
I will buy one for €4.
yeah, for euros, I don't care. You can bring this with you, and if you're in need of any soldering iron, you have one with you.
So
And since you can charge it
This tells me it's about 420 degrees.
yeah, it's on 300.
Can you hold that still?
Yeah.
Can you get us onto the camera yet on my thermal camera?
I think.
No, the screen.
On the screen?
So, okay, there's the tip. 130.
It's underneath
I
us.
can't really see this. We have to tell the people, I think.
243 it say. No, it's 300 and...
Oh, it says 132.
This in the middle says 243, 241.
1 each, buy 10 each. Forget the expensive
Okay,
ones.
that says 240.
Yeah, no. I
No, please, Warwick, don't.
No,
You won't-
this is really good.
You won't like the experience, I guess.
No, look at this. I have a gas-powered soldering iron at home I use for the car. So I don't need to run wires and stuff.
Yeah.
And this will replace that immediately. No, I'm going to buy one.
Can we put the link to this in the video description?
Oh, no, you can't. First, this is one of these sales on offers.
Yeah.
Where you get, because normally it's about 10 euros, I guess.
On green, I desoldered the big cap.
Yeah.
Wow.
And,
No issues at all. So it is actually 300 degrees.
That's amazing.
Because this is unleaded solder. And it melts at 280 or so.
Is there a model number on it or something we can show?
Yeah, over there.
USB
Soldering iron.
battery at Walt, made in China. Sorry, that really doesn't. It's not a good idea to show you any links. Probably the links will be dead after some hours.
Yeah, but just
Yeah,
search for this.
Yeah, search for this, and you don't need this normally. So the people are watching right now, they have their soldering iron.
This thing's phenomenal.
Yeah, but this
I
is-
am going to buy one.
But if the things come up, you maybe want to get one.
Yeah.
Just having it out for €4. And
Yeah,
I'm really surprised at it.
Like I said, when I'm fixing wiring on the car, I have a gas-powered one that you put in lighter fluid inside and use that. But it's really inaccurate with the heat and stuff. So I end up burning wires. But this one, yeah, I'm going to buy one.
That's temperature control. That's
€4. I think the plastic.
no
on this-
$3.99.
Yeah, not even €4. No, this is phenomenal.
How was the solder that came with it?
Okay. Yeah, no, I don't have any hopes for this.
No higher expectations.
No expectations at all.
Yeah, no expectations at all. You're right.
What's the solder?
It's soft. It's soft. Maybe.
Let's get in there.
Yeah. Okay. So let's go. It actually melts. And don't forget, I have it on the low setting.
Light runner, 5 mm soldering iron times 309 times 12 for 1 hour work, cheaper than Weller.
Yeah. So at 300, yeah.
Oh.
This. Yeah, you saw what I saw.
Oh, yeah.
So okay, let's help it out with flux, like I did the other one.
Well, I think this can't be helped.
No. Yeah.
Chris, yeah, don't get nervous. Check AliExpress regularly, and normally when you search for soldering iron somewhere, it should be doable. If someone of you guys find it out there right now, please post it in the comments.
I will look it up and put it in the description.
Whoa.
Yeah, no, okay, this solder.
What temperature you on?
The lowest one, so.
Oh, no, yeah, this won't work.
Yeah, no.
Go for free.
It worked for Richard's
Yeah,
mechanical.
This is proper solder.
Yeah. So, that's good. Let's clean off the
Why so
solder.
much?
Oh, Doug, why so much? Yeah. That is just amazing.
No, I'm really surprised this worked so well.
I'll try and find it on the AliExpress. I'll look for it now.
It's just a good backup to have.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not flowing as nicely as we would want to. Okay, so the solder that comes with it goes directly into the trash. Yeah, it doesn't want to melt. Really.
Cartha, yeah, this would work. If you're not in a hurry to get a soldering iron, you maybe simply wait till it's on for, what did I pay? $3.99.
Even if it's at 10 euros, it's worth the money.
I mean, you can always recycle.
I'm
the-
looking for it right now. Let me try and find it. So I'll put battery soldering iron, yeah?
Yeah, that should do it. No, okay, so the solder that comes with it, it's complete shit.
It could be that this is a weight base. Of course, this was explained the. Oh, Paul got an item.
Okay.
If you open the our live stream on your thing over there,
So I'm in AliExpress now, if that's what you
yeah,
need.
go for the for our live stream.
Okay.
Should be the left is this one.
Let me just get rid of this thing.
This
I have a pop-up. Let me just get rid of it. Right. Can you search for an item on AliExpress? Let me try.
You
Go on.
simply go for $50.99 on Amazon UK. Interesting. The only one I have is $3.99 on AliExpress. This is better than a 360. Whoa! Go to the type the videos on.
I think I found it. So
Yeah.
let me have a quick look. Portable
Okay.
T12.
So it does work, but because it's now diluted with the crappy solder, it doesn't desolder anymore, even with.
Wow.
with
Okay.
So it's so
Yeah.
crappy, it actually destroyed the.
You're on green right now. Isn't green the lowest temperature?
Yeah, it is.
Turn it up. Take it to the
Yeah.
max.
I had it on red, and the
Oh, that's probably burnt off.
You can buy the tips for them.
All right.
even better.
This looks like it. Right.
What?
This I have it. On AliExpress at the moment for €6.55. This is it, isn't it?
Yeah, that's exactly it. It's just another color, but yeah.
It's just another colour. With a different stand.
Paul has the. Go to the video link, please. Look at the tabs on the top of the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, the left one.
There.
And Paul has a. Look down there.
That.
Down there.
No, on the bottom. There.
Yeah, that's it. 444. That is the one.
Can I get the second PC running here?
No, because I've unplugged it after.
Ah, you don't plug the
I
second
will plug it
PC.
in now because I had to unplug it so the microscope works. One moment and it'll be on.
Quality.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
man. Sorry, guys. Sorry, this feels so.
So
horrible.
janky,
Yeah.
but we can't do anything
Yeah,
about that.
you have the best job here. You simply a solar stamp for now.
I get it. One.
Yeah.
I have it in a minute.
Digital choice, $1.99 from USA. What?
Okay, that's insane.
That's really insane.
Okay, we're going to put the second computer in now.
Mm-hmm.
And
I try.
right, you should have it as a video source.
I try my
I
best.
might
to
have
do
to
it.
disconnect the microscope, I don't know.
That should be fine.
Yeah, deactivate the microscope, please.
Okay, microscope off. Right, go now.
Okay, we're still alive.
Can you see it?
No, it would like me. Trying this here. That doesn't do anything.
Okay, I will unplug it, plug it back in, okay?
Yeah, please.
So off, on, try that.
No, I don't have the device. This isn't catching up.
Hang on, I have one last go at this. I'm going to unplug the hub and plug it straight into the PC. Okay?
Oh yeah, this could work. Sorry for the black screen. We're working on it.
Right,
Let's
go.
turn this off.
Right, it's plugged directly in as a video source from the second one.
Okay.
No, can't get it working.
Sorry, I can do no
this,
more.
This isn't too thick.
Handicam.
Okay, Andy Cam. Sorry guys, we couldn't show you that right focus.
Yep, I am working on it.
Right there, that's it.
So your search term will be lithium battery electronic soldering iron.
Electric
Exactly
soldered
what
iron.
it says on the iron.
Yeah, perfect.
And that's exactly the one. They come in 3 different
Yeah.
colours.
And it's easy to carry.
Yeah, this, of course.
And small and exquisite.
This says with 3 tips.
All right. No, this is only 3 chips.
Oh, that's the tips.
Yeah.
That's the iron 768. Okay.
So for a tenner, you can get the tips and the iron.
Yeah.
And the
Just
tips
over.
are decent. They are the ones I usually
Oh
use.
yeah, this is like a BC3.
Yeah, and it has the chisel one as well. And the conical, normal. I'm missing the curved one, conical curved.
Oh yeah, this is yours. Yeah.
That's what I usually
This one.
use.
I use this one.
I use a curved one, but otherwise, I'm going to get one of these and put it in the car.
This is
You can have this one.
Oh, okay.
This
Thanks.
I'll order.
I will gladly take this.
I know.
I'll order one with the 3 tips, and I'll do a review video. What do you think, guys? What do you guys think of this?
For this price,
Is it crap?
no, it's not. I can confirm these boards are notoriously hard to desolder from because they're so thick.
Yes, a T-con board.
T-con boards are insanely hard to desolder. Even my big station has some issues with these.
Yeah, that
So-
is highly impressive.
Yeah, no, I am,
Okay.
and they did a really easy job of it.
Okay.
Sorry guys.
Okay.
More cheap,
Monkey Island, of course.
Yeah, one of my favorite games.
more
course.
cheap Chinese crap.
Do I have more? Really?
Yeah, get this on your camera. Let's put it on.
This-
Get this. How much were these, Dad?
These are not what they are rated for.
Where's the camera?
Oh yes,
The
they
people
are.
don't know what we're
Maybe.
talking about.
No, they are not. They are reporting incorrectly. I have 6 or 7 of these at home.
These were $199.
Yeah, no.
No. These are somewhere between
256 megs max.
Well, that says 64 gig, and that's
Yeah.
a 128 gig.
If you run a comparison program, it will show you that it rewrites its memory.
No, it
after
doesn't.
It gets to 256.
It doesn't. I tested.
You tested them?
And
Yeah,
what
of course.
happened?
Because it works.
They for the, no.
They work. H2. Wait, I can.
Really?
Wait,
For
H2
that
people.
price.
Yeah. They're slow as hell.
You tested the H2.
Yeah, H2 test
Yeah.
W.
Yeah, I usually you do that with all the drives
Yeah.
I buy.
And they work.
No, they're not fake, Arthur.
That's
I thought the same. I thought, okay, let's go broke, and because we need USB thumb drives here all the time.
yeah.
Yeah, and
They're not fake.
they're not fake. This is the German CT magazine, the Computer Technik magazine, has a extensive test thing suit for this. This is the
Yep.
H2 test W. Simply Google it. If someone can Google this and put it in the comments, yeah, there it is. Paul, thank you very much.
Yep.
I'm sorry for my phone.
And it practically fills up the drive.
Yeah, it
to
fills
what-
a complete drive with test files, and then it compares this to a checksum.
Yeah, and if
So-
the checksum is wrong, it rewrites the same part of the drive continuously to emulate a larger drive, fake, aka fake drives. But
So these are formatted. They're partitioned to have the complete USB thing on that.
one is okay. It's blue, but I don't see more than 4 connectors inside.
No, this is USB 2.
Yeah, this is maximum USB 2.
Sorry, I have to switch this off.
Yeah, no, it doesn't have the connector for USB 3, even if it shows a blue connector. So these are USB 2. Slow.
Well, this is fine for us because we
Yeah.
normally copy something like 1 gig or something, and
then it's-
128 was available. So for €4 something.
€4.
Yeah. Remember the times, guys, when this was guaranteed fake.
Yeah.
This was guaranteed. You never get this. This is something
it's-
where
it's
there's 2 gigabytes in there, and this is the firmware is programmed that it looks like there's 120 gigabytes, but there's only 2 gigabytes inside, and it simply wraps over. So you write the 2 gigabytes, and if you fill more than 2 gigabytes, it simply starts to write over itself. So
Yeah, exactly.
yeah.
So
These was the good old days.
I have exactly the same casing and everything, silver ones of these, that say they are 64 gigs, and they are 256 meg.
Yep. I believe you.
So I still have them because I use them for boot drives for my Linux tool set. But
Yeah.
I removed the fake partition thing and put in a 256 partition.
Yeah, that's how you can rescue them. If you know what's the actual size
Yeah.
in there, you put in a partition that is smaller than the thing
the
it
size,
says. And
And
But
you
I
can use them as normal. Though.
yeah, again, I was going for broke here. We were going for, okay, let's see if this works. Maybe.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
But right now, for our experience, right now, they work.
Okay.
And this is new. Again, slow as fuck. Sorry for my French.
Yeah.
But
They work.
Yeah, they work. And for stuff we do in here, we're moving 1 gigabyte video files or something. Yeah, it's slow. I know, and the network is faster than these things are.
Yeah.
But sometimes you need them.
Yeah, exactly.
And you know, if you want to do a data backup, something that runs overnight, just drop this in.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, where's this thing where the customer came in and
Yeah.
wanted to copy a hard drive? This would be a good choice for that.
Exactly.
You just do it overnight.
Yeah.
Yeah, leave it running overnight because
Um,
I don't care how long this takes.
If it's not
yeah.
time sensitive, it's fine.
And on a similar basis, for sleepwalkers, a somnambulist.
Somnambulist. Yeah, for
Yeah, the
sleepwalkers.
people won't know what this is right now.
Yeah, I saw a glimpse.
Yeah,
of
I know you
Burner.
saw.
It is
But
a-
it is.
€4.49.
This has one of these inside.
Maybe, but we could open it because I'm curious.
Yeah, let's open it.
Yeah. Okay, let's go for broke.
And for those who say a 64 gig SSD isn't useful, I mean,
They are.
the one on my test rig is a 60 gig.
Yeah.
That I use for testing graphics cards. the motherboards.
It depends on the speed.
It has Windows 10. That's fast. It has Windows 10 on.
Yeah.
And it boots fast.
If the speed is decent.
Complete Windows 10 installation with some tools normally gets around 40 gigs.
Yeah.
So you have, say, 15 gigs free to do your stuff.
This is my test hard drive I use on my PC when I'm doing graphics cards and stuff.
They follow the standard. It's a little thinner.
It's a 9mm. Oh, right. Nice.
It's thinner. Just barely, but it is thinner. Cool.
€4.49 then.
Yeah, that's
What's inside it?
this. Can this be real?
It's an iPhone. But you saw it's in the original packaging.
I fix it tools.
I fix it.
Yeah.
We haven't had any chance to
Can
test
we have
it.
some I break it tools for cars?
Oh, this would be way better.
Yeah, I fix it. Fix. I want sponsorship. Come on.
Yeah, let's make a company. I break it.
I break it.
Yeah, I break it. That'd be great. I break it.
I break it and you fix it.
Yeah, you fix it. Yeah, exactly.
Sorry for the shaky cam. This is too funny.
Yeah, let's see. So that's hex.
Yeah. Can we get into it?
One.
There are hex screws on this.
Yep, one.
Yeah.
One.
Madness. Madness.
Over here.
Oh, you found the right size?
Second try. No? Am I just spinning? No, it is. It is unscrewing.
Again, this was one of these.
No.
You sure this is hex?
No, it's not a hex. What? That's the air hole. God damn it,
Why do you have an air hole in an SSD? Exactly. Can we?
No, wait. That's only for a spinning drive.
Yeah. Why we have an air hole in an SSD?
For the
An
static,
A-hole?
for the static pressure. Is this just clipped on?
Do you want
Here's something.
Spudger?
Yeah. Screw the label.
Yeah, please. There's no. I think the warranty is gone now.
It was gone when you got it.
There's nothing
Okay,
under there
there's
anyway.
nothing. No, and I can't feel anything else.
Spudger?
Yep, spudger. It looks like it's only clipped on. Jesus.
Of course, this won't be a fast SSD.
No.
Normal fast SSD. You have some DRAM that does the buffering. They
Yeah.
won't have this, and the controller is probably slow as hell.
Yeah. So, but if it gives, let's say.
But the IOPS will be still way
Yeah.
higher than anything a
No.
magnetic drive can do.
Yes, they're much faster than a normal.
Yeah,
hard
exactly.
drive.
If it's faster than SATA or PATA drive.
Yeah, or a SATA drive.
Yeah, normal SATA
Yeah,
drive.
so who of you guys want to do a review of these? This must be a compassion against
It's
a
not-
magnetic drive.
I
Or
don't know,
could-
guys. You want to see that on my channel?
This is something for you. We can do this against the Crucial drive I have.
And my Corsair, same size.
And the
60
Corsair,
gig.
yeah.
Yeah, I
The
don't
Crucial
have any
is
small
It's a
drives,
pretty
so-
fast one right now.
I don't have any small drives at home, unfortunately. So it is NVMe.
No fucking way!
Way, man!
No way!
Way!
We were looking for this fucking adapter.
Way!
Yeah, you need to know the backstory of this, guys. We were having a custom drive here, and the
Wow.
customer wanted to have a backup of the thing, and we were looking for exactly this adapter.
M.2 is SATA. It's not NVMe.
Yeah, sure,
Oh.
it's SATA. Yeah, this
But-
would be a
but-
direct connection.
But still, that's crazy that they can use an adapter board and make this viable, cost-wise.
Yeah,
$4.49.
I can't believe that.
The adapter what's it
Yeah.
called? Board costs more if you buy it loose.
That's crazy.
Okay, this is something that I'm really surprised with.
$4.49.
Yeah, no, that's insane actually. What? No. Yeah, it's
Nice
a,
free adapter.
It-
Exactly, Carter.
it's a direct connect.
Yeah. SATA is electrically.
Does it
sustained.
have the screw mount for the smaller ones?
Yeah, let's find out.
Yeah. Okay, so
Let's get rid of the cam tunnel.
Yep, that's what I was going for.
Okay, I didn't expect that. I expected
No. I
some
expect.
old PCBs in there. And,
I expected one of these inside.
Oh, could be. Yeah, could be. Yeah, you could do
Yeah,
that.
I've seen some drives that had that.
Yeah. Please, people, if you order something like that, don't expect it to be the same hardware in there.
No, it
It's
can't be.
not guaranteed if you order this that you get the same stuff we get here, because this changes all the
That's
time.
amazing.
No, but if you get the same box at least or make, the chances are larger, higher.
But just for the PCB with the adapter on, it's worth $449.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is worth more as well. It has memory chips on it.
That's amazing.
We can actually check
What's
the memory
on there?
chips.
Why is there so much? The big two bigs are the memory.
Yeah,
The
It actually-
square one will. Could it be DRAM?
it
No
has
way.
DRAM.
No way.
That looks like RAM. Wait, stop.
Yeah, Richard, we have to do the thing with the switch.
Okay, one moment.
Switcheroo again.
Okay, I can do it.
Nanya.
Yeah.
I think that's RAM.
So I unplugged
Hynix
it.
is RAM, yeah.
Okay.
No, but it's Nanya. It's I think it's the off-brand. Hynix is RAM. Yeah. So this is a controller.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait a sec, we show you guys. They can't see this right now.
Yeah. Toshiba,
One
Toshiba.
moment.
Okay, and those are the DRAM chips. That looks like it's DRAM. Oh my.
No, I don't have a picture.
Yeah, I haven't managed to plug it in yet.
Okay.
It's on. Right, you should be
Oh,
good.
Oh my God.
Microscope should be good.
should be. You're
It's
saying
not-
should be.
It's not.
It's plugged in.
No, it isn't. I don't see this over here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Point the camera at it.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, you have it?
I have. I'm sitting very still right now and don't move anything here.
Look. Okay, so
So it's a-
move
so
the
it's a-
lights a bit.
It's
move
a
the lights
ninja.
bit. It's a ninja, yeah. Flatter.
yeah.
Oh no, this is a frozen screen.
Ah, crap.
Yeah, this is what I was thinking.
Now it's working.
Now it's working. Ooh. It's frozen in.
Yeah,
frozen
it
in.
froze again. It's
Oh, man,
something
this
with the
is,
connection. So it's actually freezing from this side. Not.
Yeah, there's something wrong with the.
It's not detecting the.
Something's really wrong here.
Sorry about this, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, we do the handheld camera.
Sorry
Yeah.
about it.
So just point at that. Oh, you have the tripod up here.
No. Oh yeah, we can do that. True. All right. This is handheld cam pointing at the screen of the microscope.
Okay, so
This is
it's
still better than anything else. we've ever-
Nanya.
Nanya? Is it
Yeah,
this?
Danya, you can see it.
Yeah.
Nanya 1821.
Isn't this like the Lion and the
21.
Witch in the
So this
Wardrobe?
isn't this. Oh, this is 3 years ago.
Is this the Lion and the Witch in the Wardrobe? No idea.
Probably.
Yeah.
NT5cc blah 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 64M.
It's the same text as Hynix.
64M. 64 megabytes. This could be DRAM.
Yeah.
What?
There's no way this has DRAM.
You guys, you probably where
Not
the,
for €4. There's no way.
where
Well, it's 4 years, 49.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that chip costs more.
Well, so does the adapter and the
people,
casing.
people out there who know more about this stuff. Is this DRAM?
Let's look it up.
Okay, now
That
everybody
is-
here is really excited over here.
Yeah.
You have 10 minutes to find this out because we're 10 minutes out.
Yeah.
Nanya 18.
No, this is
No.
NT5cc5. NT5.
Yeah.
You're missing an A.
No, oh yeah. Nanya, okay, and
NT5cc.
5cc,
NT 5cc
64.
64.
That should do. Yeah, that thing that's come up there.
Yeah.
16
Yeah, it looks
piggly.
good.
Yeah.
The 16 piggly thingy. It's DRAM.
It's DRAM.
Okay,
Okay.
to clarify, DRAM is used to store the data that comes in a fast way.
It's a buffer.
And after
Yeah, it's
that,
a buffer.
it gets
It's
moved
a cache.
into
It's a
the...
cache. It's
It's
a
a cache,
cache.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God! Really? It's 1 gigabyte of DRAM.
No, it's 64 megabytes.
There's 1 gigabyte of cache, it says there.
Really?
DRAM
Yeah,
density.
1
DRAM.
gig. 1 gig.
Okay.
For 16 GPD1. Yeah.
That's the one.
Yeah. This was a snag.
It has 1 gig for 64 gig.
So is
drive.
this faster than my Corsair?
No, of course that will be faster. But
Okay.
But
this is
this would be very close.
Wow.
this
Full
is usable. It's usable.
What?
And this is something I expected. No.
There's no way that
Wow.
this has DRAM.
Wow.
What's the controller?
It's a
And a Pasher, blah 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 blah. Something 18. So this is old.
yeah. So the controller chip is probably slow as
Yeah.
molasses,
Yeah.
but
And these are the two memory chips over here. There are two memory chips on that one.
yeah. And size, can we see the
It
size?
must be 32 gigabytes because.
Yeah, they should be.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, Chris says 1 gigabit, not 1 gigabyte.
oh,
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you clarifying.
128.
Yeah.
Ah, 1 gigabit.
It's still, well, you know.
Yeah. Okay. Good catch.
Okay. So, guys,
Okay, this was a lucky one.
it was lucky. So we have 9 minutes left. Let's look at a bit of. I bought some old technology today.
Oh, yeah, you
Oh,
did.
yeah,
You did.
yeah.
You did.
Okay, so you have use for this, so not destroy.
Please.
We need.
I think we don't need the
Captain.
thing. Yeah,
We-
Captain is
if we
fine.
move the I broke it kit.
Yeah.
No, he didn't break anything.
No, he didn't
This is weird.
I'm high.
I have 2 bits of old technology from the car boot sale today,
They were heavy.
and they were heavy.
I am working on it. Sorry, Rich. There we go.
So
I break it, kit.
I break it kit. Ready? Can we get a camera?
Wait, I need to make some space.
And we have 9 minutes, so we have to have a quick look at both. Yeah.
Carl's left so much
Okay.
chaos over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Grab your soldering.
Chaos.
Oh, thanks.
Chaotic chaos.
Oh, yeah.
You will not believe how long it takes us to tidy up on a Monday morning
Yeah,
after a live.
yeah. We need 2 weeks to tidy up, and then it starts over again. Yeah.
Right. So from the car boot sale, I have this.
What?
I paid €10 for it because that's what he wanted.
Oh my God! This is an 8-track player.
It's an 8-track player.
Let me get in
Jesus
close here.
Christ!
This looks like a tank.
This is older than me. That's for
Yeah, it's
sure.
definitely older than you.
We think it's. I think it's going to be 60s, 1960s.
It's heavy. It has chrome, real chrome.
This is coming on my channel this week, by the way.
I like the knobs.
The thing is, we don't have an 8-track tape. I'm thinking we can inject a signal into the head or
Yeah,
in
you
some
can.
way to see if it works. What do you guys think?
Get one of these normal stereo.
CD adapters, you mean?
But for cassette. That should inject the.
One moment.
How?
Oh, we have one.
No, right. There's 3 screws that hold the top on.
Of course, we do some
Is this real veneer? No.
It's like it's like a veneer. Have you
Okay.
guys any idea how old this thing is?
70s, 60s.
Oh, and Betty goes to the car boot today. I had to get up at 4:45 to get there. No, okay, so our car boot starts at 8 a.m.
Yeah.
because we're civilised here. And we don't turn up there until about 9 a.m. and then we have a coffee, so probably 9:30
I'm there
a.m.
at 11.
and we can still buy this stuff.
Yeah, I'm there at 11. I still find stuff.
Oh, you
Oh,
were
no,
there?
yeah,
Not today, but usually I'm there. At
yeah,
11.
we don't go first thing.
Guys, guess what I bought? A drone.
Yeah.
Oh,
Small.
another one.
And a small one, and it flies like a bitch, I tell you.
So
This is so horrible. This is one of the worst drones I've ever flown.
I'd watch if it was 3 hours. Okay, the fixer. I'm going to do a video on this week on my channel. But just quickly.
Oh my god.
Now, that's all we can say from here.
And there's the head. Okay,
Well-
so you can put a cassette emulator here and get.
That's what I'm thinking. We can do something to test
Yeah,
it.
the cassette emulator just injects the. You can keep it.
Okay.
Oh, there.
So we can't see inside it at the moment, and we don't have the time now. But I'll do a video on this one in the week.
The Chinese shop had a cassette injector. I saw it.
Oh yeah, probably.
But this is not a cassette. It's like a.
Yeah, but it's the same.
Well,
it's
we
a
can,
magnetic signal.
We simply sacrifice the head.
Oh no,
and,
wait.
and,
Aren't 8-tracks digital?
No,
No.
not this.
No, there.
Digital?
Yeah, no.
let me see the head.
I'm
Let's
high.
do some head porn here.
Okay, you need to clean the head.
Does it move up and down? Just
Yeah,
like
it does.
so?
It does.
Okay, so that's the 8-track player, and we have 5 minutes left. So I'll show you the other thing that I got today.
Okay, that was cool.
That was cool.
Peter says
I knew what it was.
1970s. Yeah, that could be a.
Yeah, 70s is probably
Yeah.
thereabouts.
No, Carthel, not a DJI. One of these smaller things.
DG crap.
The DigiCrap. And, I paid 10 bucks for this. And,
So from the same guy.
Oh
So
my.
I paid 20 euros for the two things. This is the other one. Do you know what this is?
That's a radio.
It's a car radio.
yeah, digital toys. You're in Germany, right? It's probably not feasible. Maybe I'm going to Germany in what's his face in April. Yeah,
What's his face?
and maybe then. But we figure something out. I think.
It's actually working.
Well,
The
maybe.
knob-
So-
the knobs.
What's
The
the
knobs.
Scrapeson? Scrapeson is a very cool name. Oh, this could
Scribeson.
be my band name.
Describe some.
Yeah, the Scrapesons.
Okay. So this is the car radio. The interesting thing about this, if we get some light down here.
Oh, USA. Ah, no, not going to the USA right now, man.
Old,
Sorry.
yes, fix it. Old tube radio. So inside here, we have vacuum tubes,
Yeah, I see it.
valves, but on the back, we have a power transistor.
So it's a transistor era device,
Yeah.
but with tubes.
But with tubes. Can you see them inside there? Can we get a bit of light? Can we get in there?
That's going to be.
Wait,
Wait.
Give
Give me a sec. Yep.
Let's get some light.
Oh, I need a burger.
There. Can you
Oh,
see
you're going to
inside?
Burger King?
Maybe McDonald's.
You can see the tubes?
The kid.
Oh, I would
Yeah.
join in.
You see
This
the
is what
vacuum?
we do on Sunday.
I'll tell you what we have
Yeah,
4
come on.
minutes left.
Come on, we can go over time a bit.
Yeah, yeah.
I think the people
don't,
are.
We can
people
go
don't
over it.
care.
Yeah.
People don't care to go.
And we
over it.
started 1 minute short, so.
Yeah, we go over a little bit. So let's just get this off here.
I
So-
keep the light on just in case.
So he charged me, he wanted 25 euros for the two, and I paid him 20 for the two. I just thought it was
Just
was
the
fun.
8-track player is worth more.
the 8-track player is worth more. Yeah, I believe there's a market for 8-track players and the kind of
there
collectors.
There is, there actually is, but
It is-
it needs to be working.
It needs to be working. Okay, I have no idea.
Okay.
I think you need a proper screwdriver for that. Okay. Proper
Yeah,
screwdriver?
yeah, proper screwdriver. Otherwise, I'm going to round it out or break your screwdriver.
Try that. Will that fit?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I think I saw.
Okay, we have it.
Doing a lot of things of.
Oh, the,
Whoa, that's
tracks.
right.
can we look at the sticker on the side of this before we open it?
Oh, it's
Oh,
metal.
so sticker.
No,
Yes.
no
There.
sticker in.
So it's a
normal sense.
Scribeson Radio SL. This is Italian or Spanish Il Permiso. Numero, Spanish, you think?
yeah, permission. I think it's Spanish.
12 volts, something.
And
Yeah.
car.
And on the back it actually says somewhere on here. Oh no, on the 8-track player it says for negative earth cars. Now I know back in the day
Yeah.
that cars had a positive earth.
Yeah.
Is this something to do with cat ions having the positive of the battery connected to the ground to stop them rusting so much? Does anybody know anything
Yeah,
about that?
that's exactly what it is. It's so it doesn't get galvanically rusted.
So why did they change the negative ground?
Because it wasn't a problem anymore with the new materials used.
Whoa!
Okay, these look nice. Okay, what?
Yep, thank you. Okay, some wolf porn.
Yeah, you have the valves to fix this now.
Ah,
If we want to listen to Russian stations, yeah. Have you heard that Russian music?
Yeah, no.
No.
Hey, is that
I'll
postage
just
stamp?
No, where?
There.
A postage stamp on the valve.
No, it's not. It's not. No, it's some kind of. No, wait, it is.
It looks like a postage stamp.
Yeah, aduana. It's
It's a custom sticker.
yeah, it's a custom sticker.
Okay, this is getting weird. What the heck is this?
Is it
Is this a holy saint
And-
of the
And
tubes
all
or
of them
something?
have them.
Sorry?
What the heck is this on this?
It's a custom sticker.
Looks like Cthulhu.
Spanish.
Looks like Cthulhu.
Oh, right,
It's
yeah.
the Spanish coat of arms.
Perfumia. What the heck?
Perfumeria. Circulation. Oh, circulation is like driving.
hmm
That means like driving.
But why does
Perfume. Oh, come on, what does this mean in perfumeria?
perfumeer?
Come on.
Yeah, perfumery.
These are probably some giving
And
studio.
circulation is driving.
Yes, this is probably some offerings for the
Come
older
on,
cars or
circulation.
something.
Circulation is yeah, depends on the context, but yeah, driving.
Driving, yeah.
The fixer says, need to recap.
Yeah, and the other one also has a sticker, but this one doesn't, right?
Can we just get us back in here
Yeah.
a bit of
No,
light?
never.
That was cool. I didn't expect a postage stamp. Let's take out this one.
Just go, yeah, careful, rock it back to the front.
Yeah.
Once this is gone, it is gone. Gone.
Okay.
Oh no,
the postage stamp fell
you lost
off.
the holy tube.
It's the same. So,
Okay,
the other one is loose somewhere because this tube should also have one.
we need a high-res scan for this.
Has the
and,
tube got anything on it? It says mini watt. Mini watt.
This is getting weirder.
HCH81.
And somebody obviously knows what this is. Well, it's a tube.
Traffic is probably the correct translation.
So you guys, there's traffic. Okay.
Yeah.
So perfumed traffic.
So it's good smelling traffic?
Yeah, pretty much, but that's not Spain.
No.
So is that not Spanish?
Yes, it is, but it's not in Spain.
Okay.
For the smell.
So there you go.
Okay, so let's see what we got here. Cool.
Yes, Chris, aren't we? Traffic. Yes, perfumed traffic.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll put the sticker in.
the tube won't work without the stamp.
But one of the tubes don't have the stamp on.
Oh, well, that never worked.
Yeah, Mr. Carlson would be probably really happy. The problem is Mr. Carlson is somewhere in Canada, I think, and shipping from Gran Canaria anywhere in the world is
expensive.
I'm happy
expensive.
I'm happy to have a go at this because I did my City and Guilds in vacuum tube repair.
Yeah,
transistor
I
repair.
don't know enough about these things to even touch it.
Oh, this could be a tax thing. Chris says vacuum tubes had a special tax. The stamp showed that the tax had been paid.
Oh, in fact, Tony, same as the ECH81. That's like an output. Is it a pentode or triode ECH81? Tony, ECH81, pentode or triode?
You guys know.
I think it's a pentode.
This is so weird.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm lost.
I'm going now.
Well, we
Whoa.
don't. We'll give Fat Tony a chance to answer, otherwise.
Yeah. We need to do that. Yeah.
I'll put the lid on.
Yeah, got to think of the.
I like the build quality of this thing.
Yeah. Good stuff, guys. See the phone. Yeah, we'll be here in 2 weeks, guys.
Yeah, I think we are. Yeah, we probably.
Yeah.
We are.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should be better by then.
I'll drag them both out of the shells.
Again.
I should not be drugged next time.
Yeah.
If I am, there's something wrong with me.
There is something wrong
There's
with you.
something
Can
wrong.
we have a shameless plug? But last weekend, the capital, Las Palmas, we went to the carnival, and there's a video on Gran Canaria Uncovered of 32 minutes of girls shaking everything they've got for all they're worth.
And some guys.
And yeah, who wants to watch that?
Not me, but yeah.
We skipped loads of the guys. Yeah.
We skip loads of guys, but
Yeah.
if you guys are interested, go to Gran
Yeah.
Canaria Uncovered,
Yeah.
and it's a lot of fun.
And get to my channel and subscribe so I can get my 1,000
Oh
subscribers.
yeah, Carlos wants his
Oh
stuff.
yeah. Everybody hasn't subscribed to Carlos. Please do right now. Go over there and.
I'm so close, and I'm giving away a Nintendo 64 when I reach 1,000.
Okay,
What
so,
do you do?
so
Yep.
retro
I'm a subscriber,
upgrade.
so I can.
Retro upgrade, guys. Please just help Carlos get to 1,000. How many do you need?
About 250.
Uh,
No, 150. 150.
Okay, please help Carlos.
Good work, guys. There's some people coming in and telling you
Oh,
what these
heptode,
things
heptode.
are.
Yeah, with 7 elements, heptode, okay? Muel, tell us beyond. Okay, so Muel, we'll have this on Learning Electronics Repair this week.
And we're going to have a thing with the what was I doing today? The multi-load thing.
Oh, and the multi-load, we finished it, yeah.
Yeah, the multi-load. Yeah, we did this, and this is probably going on tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, we're going to have a thing where we do the split part. So we did a video over here where we had the hardware and the function, and I did the deep dive for software.
Oh, we're back to triode now.
Trial?
That's 3 elements. Heptode has 7
This
elements.
is going so fast over my head.
Yeah, same here.
Valves. Yeah.
Okay, guys. It was been fun. Even if
Nothing blew up.
I can't feel my face anymore, but
Oh, it's a triode heptode 2001.
Nothing blew up today.
no, I didn't break anything.
You didn't break anything.
I should be
Yeah,
happy.
maybe one in drug every time. Man. Even the
Not supported drugs, kids.
The drugs are better.
yeah, drugs are bad. Drugs are bad.
So the Verve were wrong when they said the drugs don't work.
What?
That was a song in the UK. The
Oh,
Verve, the drugs
yeah.
don't
You
work.
got my by surprise there because I didn't.
I tell you what. Bye, dudes.
Yeah.
See you around.
See you guys.